Hey traders, welcome to episode 339 of Tio and the Mid-Trade. Could be doing anything but your ear. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, looks like Bitcoin has bearishly engulfed, unfortunately. Great. Nice shot to the upside, nice volume, all that. But now, as you can see, as the last candle of the week, last candle of the day, was a nice green candle. As soon as the new day began, we started selling off, and we had pretty much for the past 4 hours been a bearish engulfing candle. Had a little bit of a rejection momentarily, but it all ended in a 4 hour period, engulfing the previous green candle. So now here we are, sitting at this heart line, potentially of the channel. We made an adjustment when we ran up here and sold off. Maybe we're just forming a larger pattern, a larger consolidation pattern, not sure. So 20 moving average is catching up, a faster scale MA. And should be there at some point. We'll probably test that as support, maybe. But yeah, that's really it, man. Maybe we got a larger bull flag. Maybe some people would argue and say it's some sort of pennant, whatever. Just trying to make sense of it. We just need more data, more time to go by. Look, man, we've been waiting for 6 weeks to, no, really, 7 weeks for the Gartley to finally mature, and it did. We got our move. So swing trading is a bunch of waiting. Okay, so since we got our first impulse up, we hit our first target. We're now going to wait more to see what kind of pattern develops, so then we can make potential moves based off what we see. Okay, so the Grammys are on tonight, man. Think about it. If you're watching this show, that means I'm beating the scrubby Grammys. All right, can you believe it, man? We got them, man. We got them. Okay. So that's it, man. It's really nothing's changed since today's stream. Just wanted to give an update earlier today, doing it again tonight in case you weren't able to catch today's stream, because I know people have lives. So try to make accommodations for that. So say hey to chat first and foremost, right? What's up, Mr. Damon Dude? Says making moves first, right? You were first. Zed Zerps, no, you were second. What's up, Brandon Green, Toshi Blue, XRP Fanboy, P Milliman? What's up, dude? Hey, JD. Happy to see you, as always. Oh, there's Princess Riley. Whew. Princess Riley, hi. What's up, Randy Schulz? Mag Carl, Sid Tentacle, Wobble My Jello. Hey, Dan Stylus, dude. Nokia 60th, whatever. What's happening, man? Thanks for the kind words earlier. Jeremy, dude, I don't know, no idea why you don't have mod, but congrats. There you go, Jeremy. Short-term Jesus channels for you, dude. Next time you say something, good things will happen. Holy crap, man. Sorry. This thing's got to go up just a little bit more so I can move my hand. Ridiculous. Hey, RJ. Jamie Catrona. The Further Adventures. Yeah, that's it, dude. Oh my god. Hey, what's up, Mr. Meme, dude? Brian Griffin. Put your money in BTT if you want to lose it. Dude, I don't know, man. It's just your flavor of the second. Dude, we have flavor of the second coins that appear all the time, and guess what? Just give it a few days, give it a week or two. They'll be back to irrelevance. No one will ever talk about them again. It'll be like Pundy Coin, or BCN, or whatever. Hey, Jason D, Australia, man. Thanks for the sub on Twitch, man. Did you, man? Appreciate you supporting the channel and the community, man. By subbing, dude. Thank you, Jason, dude. Gangs. Sure, P. Miller, man. I'll put it on the list. What's up, Edward Park? Coach K, Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. Welcome. Matt Inman. Mr. Kanatomo, Loot Patient. Hey, Sam Easy. Glad you made it. Hello, Alex. Oh, there's Skyward, dude. What's up, man? Skyward, were you the, well, no, I mean, I guess Dan and Melissa were the session top Jesus peoples before, but for some reason, Anonymous doesn't show up for the session top. It's so weird. Alright. But I think you were before. Like, if it wasn't them, it was you. So you were second place or something. I don't know. We have that new feature. I moved it over. We got Shaylin involved up there, so it looks a lot better if you look at the session top. It's cool. What's up, Sid Tentacle? It's Sunday night. That means weekly close. Yeah, we already weekly closed, dude. We did. And daily close, too. And we looked on the daily, and we have failed to break above the 50-day moving average. We have used it as a resistance now twice. Okay, this is where the 50-day moving average is. We're below it right now. I'm dripping. Dripping coffee. No tea, sorry. Pink polo swag. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Ralph Lauren, baby. Ralph Lauren. What's up, Blue Coast? There goes all my chat. I need to start using Restream again. Oh, the Charles Barkley pattern kicked butt. Huh. Yeah, zombie, for sure. We're definitely in the green. Hey, Tom H. Iceberg. This is better than the Grammys. Thanks, dude. I could believe it, though. Okay, I think there's a lot. I think cat videos are probably better than the Grammys, dude. There's just a group of people that are stuck in their own little bubble that don't really do anything. They don't really do anything at all. They just read a script, and that's it. Yeah, this guy right here, he just subbed the channel. He loves the Grammys, dude. He loves it. What's up, John Dayton? Billy Langford, dude. What's up, man? Hector Santos, what's up? Alright, so we got the Kang Logan's here. Holy crap, man. What's up, Kang Logan? Hey, dude, Kang Logan. Thanks, dude. I didn't see in the day stream. Thanks so much, man, for those 888s. After the stream was kind of over and we were just playing music, DJing. 2 times 888. Thanks, man. Kangs. Appreciate it. Okay. XRP. Pulling back. Just like Litecoin, just like Ethereum, just like the title. Okay, man. Falling wedge. Falling wedge pattern. We broke out, but have made only lower highs. Only tested that 200 moving average and have since sold off, right? Every time, using it as resistance. It's unfortunate, right, man? But, you know, maybe like at this point, we could tell ourselves we might have, you know, some sort of triangle developing, right? You've got two lows, 2 highs, right? I don't know, man. Alright, seems pretty just cookie cutter. Right, just a, you know, form of price contractions going on, clearly. Alright, so whatever, man. I'm gonna put this on the daily only. Okay, it's only on the daily. Okay, so we broke out of the wedge, and now we're immediately forming a triangle, a symmetrical triangle. So if we had a measure move to the upside, it would most likely, I mean, almost certainly hit our 382, 50% or 618. You know, that's our zone. That's where that's your minimum target for a wedge trade. You don't really want to be going below that. It doesn't even make sense. It's a minimum target, okay, from this area. So you want to see between 35.4 cents and 39.7 cents. Okay, nothing's changed at all. All right, nothing's changed. Higher lows than our previous lows. Here's a higher low than your previous lows. Here's another higher. Well, it's really a double bottom here, like a perfect double bottom. And that's about it, man. All right. You know, if Bitcoin runs the upside, guess what? XRP is going to go with it. But this time, when Bitcoin ran up, you know, people were disappointed with Ripple on its performance, on how it moved up, but it moved up like 7%, just like Bitcoin. So, you know, it's whatever, dude. That's it, really. Okay. You zoom out, you got the down sloping equidistant channel. Okay. That's it. Let's see. Hopefully we get some daily, weekly, huge double bottom, 1 bottom, 2 bottoms, and maybe we could have a huge run to the upside soon. Okay. All depends on Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin dumps, XRP's going with it. You do not want to fall below 25 cents. Falling below 25 cents, very, very bad. You could almost certainly see 13 cents pretty quick if you break below 25. And I don't know, man. Like, there are these little, you know, touch points, 20 cents, 18, 16, 15. But really, it's like 12, 13 cents if you break 25 cents, man. Not good. So you better be hoping for Bitcoin to do well, because XRP, man, is heavily tied. Especially the US dollar valuation is heavily tied to Bitcoin. All right. Anyway, that's XRP. Ethereum. Okay, here you go, dude. Ethereum was in a down-sloping channel. Still is. Huh? Still is. Double bottomed, whatever. Bullish divergence, and popped with Bitcoin. Then formed, you know, the wee hours of last night. Broke down a little bit. And we had two down-sloping trend lines that converged. And we broke out of it. Huge green candle here. We had a bullish engulfing into a big green candle. Ran up. Touched the top of the channel, right? Touched it and then completely rejected higher prices. And rejected the breakout of the channel that we've been in since January 5th, 2019. Okay. So, I don't know. Hey, we're back testing. We thought we might have. Okay. So we were like here, I guess during the day stream, we finally made it down. We just literally touched the area that was once a resistance. It's now a support. Did not bearishly engulf. We'll see. I mean, it's close to, not the piercing line. Dark cloud cover, though. Very close to that. Just not, you know. I think that's maybe the equivalent of the crypto dark cloud cover. Because you can't gap up and move down. Anyway. Good God, man. Look at the higher prices. Hey, look at that, dude. That's very, very weak action on momentum on the weekend, right? Not good on either oscillator for Ethereum. Okay, sweet. It's just not good, man. It's not what you're looking for at all if you want higher prices. So, I don't know, man. Just back testing right now, but, you know, definitely diverging on price action and oscillators. Okay, but again, not over. Just keep your eye on Bitcoin. There you have it, dude. Anyway, let's see. Missing some chat. Thanks, Kang Logan, dude. Hey, Greg Morgan, dude. Too high. There's some people in here that would tell you could never be too high, man. Chat, is that true? Hey, Dan, man. Ben's 420. Dan and Melissa, the Jesus Feels. What's up, Dominique? Did you? I don't know. Understand, man. I don't understand what you're saying. What's up, Angelo? How's Bitcoin? Well, we could rewind like 12 minutes or something and you'll know, right? Does a TA tell us that we break the bigger triangle on the daily or weekly? We'll break up or down? I don't understand, Mark Robot. Could you maybe word that better? It sounds weird. Okay. Sounds weird. Something about triangles. Breaking on multiple time scales. Does it tell us if we'll break the upside downside? I don't understand. Whoa, dude. Okay, I gotta go back to restream. I can't do that, man. That's so stupid. Okay, I think I got it. Alright. JD loves double bottoms. Yes, you do. Sexually. Touch that channel. What? Sorry, man. I'm just trying to catch this. Catch up with this. Maytech crypto is worthless. Well, most of it is, yeah. Yeah. Blockchain technology is invaluable, though. And I think it's going to be, it is revolutionary technology. It is the internet of our time, right? Of our generation or whatever. It's like the new revolutionary technology, right? But it's just so early in development, man. A lot of people don't even know how to use it, develop it, whatever. Implement it into their business model to create more efficiency and security, whatever. Percentage move the upside, downside? I don't know, man. If it is a bull flag, which we have no idea, we don't really know if it is yet. A measure move would just be from the bottom of the pole to the top of the pole, the candle close to candle close from the breakout. So that's probably going to put us above our secondary target, which was 38.18. But again, I don't know. I don't know if that's really or not. Bezos, my bad, dude. I had to restart my PC before stream. Sorry, dude. Always test that. Always test it beforehand. Anyway. What's up, Nexus of Hate? Peter Freeman. Hey, Billy Langford, dude. Global Economic Revolution. There you go. Hey, Joe Ray. What's up, man? Brother from Scotland. Blockchain is useful. Banks might start using it. I think they are. They're using Ripple as or XRP as a third-party solution, right? Okay. Anyway, let's go to Litecoin. Whatever, dude. Make sure I got the right one, though. I know I did one on log scale and one off log scale, so just bear with. Okay. Yeah, alright, that's it. Bitfinex. Here's my non-log scale Litecoin. Alright. Nice upslooping channel. It looks very similar to Neo. So here was our channel. We finally broke out of it. It was a premature breakout. It seems like we sold off. I mean, this was the inverse head and shoulder. It was so beautiful, dude. But then we just started calming down, going sideways for a little bit. Sideways higher lows than previous lows. And then we just popped to the upside with Bitcoin, right? So I'm trying to scale this. Gosh, dang. So really, I mean, from your discernible daily swing high back from July 18th, 2018 to the low back December 7th, 2018, we have almost hit a 38% retrace, 49.89, but you would, I mean, that's your first common area of retrace. So you would think we could go higher, but again, it's all dependent on Bitcoin. Does Bitcoin want to hit its secondary target? Well, then Litecoin's going to hit its, targets too. You would expect at any time when you make a real retrace, you would expect to go between $50 and $67, right? So, the 50% retrace, whereas it's a very common area where you would sell off, is $58.45. And the 382, though, that's extreme resistance. That's going to be very tough to break. It's not going to be easy anyway. If you break that, though, that's a great sign. Great sign for Litecoin if we can get above this critical resistance point. So 382, though it is just your first common retrace, it is a strong resistance. You can see it looking left from August and September and October. All right. So, all right, man, we'll see what we're made of. Really not much bearish divergence. I mean, you're kind of diverging, but it probably just with the diverging oscillators and price action, you probably will break down since the channel is so well established here. I think we're at the top of it, so we could sell off, come all the way back down to the hard line, $40, and then run again. But really, if you want to know what Litecoin's going to do, just go watch Bitcoin, okay? Because Bitcoin's going to definitely dictate Litecoin price action. All right, that's it, man. Let me do it from the bottom to the top.
Mitchell Ray Russo, the crypto guy of the RSI live from the P North Studios, on Nutella Street in Greenbow, Alabama. Have a gallon of milk, Mitch. Could you check XLM? Since BCN has been delisted. Vados Locos por vida.
What was that? Eric Wolfson? Dude, you have two O's. I think they misspelled your last name. But thanks, man, for 589. XLM, sure. Vados Locos por vida. Something crazy. Yeah, that's it, dude. That's all I know. Yeah, dude, we'll look at XLM next. Thanks, man. The dumpster fire, dude. We'll look at the dumpster fire. Let me guess, man. It mooned, man. Alright, so Litecoin today is down 5.38%. Just kind of readjusted the channel a little bit. And just at the very top, okay? So, that's it, man. I think, honestly, man, you have this touch point as being that, and the wick hit it. Yeah, it's like that. That's it, man. That's it. Alright. Definitely due for a pullback, right? Just a minor pullback, but again, man, look, if Bitcoin starts running the upside somewhat, this Litecoin has the ability to definitely just break through the channel. We've seen it on many S coins. Litecoin could do it too. Litecoin has definitely acted as a major S coin for 2018. Okay, but it all has turned around. Late December, it's a new year. 2018 was a year to forget. Maybe Litecoin can redeem itself for 2019, right? Maybe it's the year of the light or something. Okay, holy times. Okay, XOM, BGZ. All right, man. Hey, did we finally do it? Hey, did we finally hit the area of support? Wow. We finally did. You know, actually, it's funny. On the 6th of February, we didn't even touch the wick. We actually went down. Did we touch this wick? Oh my God, yeah, we did. Trying to pinpoint accurate here. Yep, there you go. You touched it. It actually went a little bit below it. So that means we've actually seen prices lower than we've seen since December 2017, which really isn't that far away, right? But you know, we had this nice little range, support, resistance, and there's a little support here. We're holding this. This is a very weak support, man. Very weak support. I know you're showing a little bit of bullish divergence, but dude, very bad. Very, very bad right now. I mean, every time you make moves to the upside, you're testing and failing to break with the 50 moving average. You can't sustain prices even above the 20 moving average. Okay, so this is an extremely bearish price action, what you're doing, staying below those faster scale MAs. All right. But the great news is, look, we've got technical lower lows than our previous lows. Wow. You might like this, man. Slightly lower lows on price than our previous lows and much higher levels of relative strength. Kind of interesting here, right? Definitely kind of interesting. Okay, when you start getting slightly lower lows with much higher levels, like a ton of divergence being shown, this might be a good area where we might have a retrace. We very well might get a retrace. Okay, so let's look at this real quick. Okay, we're gonna replot, clean up a little bit. Spring cleaning in February. Great. All right, let's see if there's anything we can do here. All right, in terms of a channel or something. I don't know if there is. I really don't know if there is anything we can do yet. Ah, interesting. Seeing what we can do. 1 and 2 on the bottom. Give me a sec. Just 1 on the top. See, it was like this, and then we had that slight move out of it, and then at this point you would just make an adjustment. Okay. But we could always try to anchor from 1 and 2. Let's try that real quick, and if it doesn't work, we'll just go back to this one. Just want to, you know, need to trial and error a little bit. These channels. See if you do it like that. Yeah. There's like no heart line respect at all. You get 1 touch point on the bottom. Looks okay. So really, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter so much, because what's very important, I think, is anchor point 1 and 2, a trend line that is down sloping. If we could ever break this, this is the breaking point. 2400, 2350 sat area. If we can break that, that's probably, this was the swing low, right? And we can go from a major high to major low, and then we can get a major retrace, right? So this might be, we might be setting up for some higher prices here. Dude, you think about how disgustingly oversold you've become, right? Down here at 1414 a wick. I get it, it's twig and thatch, it's terrible, but you're showing so much exhaustion on your RSI now with the slightly lower low, much higher levels of relative strength at critical areas of support. That's how you do it, man. That's the swing trading stuff, right? That's it. So let me just clean this up some more. All right, get rid of our patterns. They were good to us. Okay. So We could try an equidistant channel. Maybe that's going to give us more touch points, but I just don't think so, man. It's kind of like you're using that 75% trend line as a resistance. Resistance 3 times. You fail to break above it. Not bad. Alright, so we'll just stick with this for now. There's reason to believe we very well could break to the upside soon. Just based on this, it just keeps getting better and better. Alright, better and better. At least set up an alert or something, man, right? Set it up and see. Okay, cool. Music. Okay, we're good. Shia LaBeouf. Y'all talking about Shia LaBeouf? Where's he at, man? Didn't he go crazy? Didn't the Trump people destroy him? Would I fight Tim Draper in an octagon for 25 Bitcoin? Yeah, maybe, dude. Maybe. Well, if I had time to prepare, yeah, and train, absolutely. If you gave me months to prepare, absolutely. Yes, I would. I think that'd be fair, though, right? And it's like, if I'm insured 25 Bitcoin, yeah, but like, dude, to fight to win, that's a different story, right? Like, the losers get paid, right, to fight in this. So, and I'd love to get wrecked and train to get wrecked. Peter Walker, I'm glad to hear that it played out well. All right, man. On the inverse head and shoulders on Litecoin, man. Congrats, dude. Congrats. Taco or die, Scoured. Yeah, dude. Taco Tuesdays incoming. Just a couple more days. Thanks so much for the 150 people watching right now. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, the sub. Thanks. We're just looking at XLM, potentially poised to make a. It might be time for a retrace to the upside. Okay, very well could be. Just drinking this. Okay. What's up, Vergus Games, dude? How you doing, man? Yeah, good Sunday. Oh my god, dude. Dan, dude. Oh my god. No, it has not. And it was yesterday. It was on a freaking Saturday. Wow. My 1 year anniversary, my official 1 year anniversary, I missed it because I completely forgot about it. But wow, that sucks, dude. Dan, thanks for reminding me how stupid I am. Can't even remember my own freaking whatever, dude. My own freaking anniversary, 1 year anniversary. Wow, whatever, dude. We still had fun last night anyway. We really did. The other way makes way more sense. Okay, just making sure. Well, good for me, man. Good for me. 1 year, been doing it. Been streaming for 1 year. Not streaming, but creating content solo on my own for 1 year. Alright. So we'll just do, you know, whatever, man. We'll just do, there we go. We did it, man. We did it. Alright. Global debt is over 244 trillion. Yep, that's right, Burgers Games, man. Debt crisis coming, dude. Might take a few years though, right? Everything's so slow. These pesky global meltdowns, financial meltdowns, take forever, man.
A Mitch Poly /BTC good daily volume a few days ago, but nothing since. Not sure what's going on with her good bold divergence on Use Daily also.
Emilio Resendez, mucho gusto for the sub on YouTube. Gangs. Johnny Bullman, thanks to you for the 3s. Repeating, of course, the Tron Connects and are the super sexual, completed, finalized version of the Tron Connect emoji ball. It looks like a freaking irradiated Tron, right? Need to Grover, thanks for the so on YouTube juice, man. Welcome, dude. Welcome, man. Thanks for tuning in and joining the team. Gartley gang, Kappa. Alright, let me see here on this thing, okay. Well, you've gotten down there. You've gotten down to some pretty reasonable levels of value, but it's not the best. From the chart I'm looking at anyway. Okay, so let's look here. Okay. Ah, crap, man. Let me just turn these off real quick. It's really not that big a deal. 1 year content creation. Okay. So since the high's up here, let's see if there's anything we can plot, right? Anything we can plot at all. I don't even know, man. It's like stupid wicks, dude. See, that doesn't make much of any sense, does it? I don't know, man. You do it like that. I'm trying to make this pinpoint accurate. It's not easy. See if you use it like that. I guess there's a little bit of a 25% in heartline support, and then the 75% resistance. Okay, all right, making a little bit more sense. But if that's the case, we're failing to break above that 25% trend line at a critical horizontal line support back from August of 2018. You have lower prices you could go easily. $19.99. All right, dude. Y2K. What?
Sorry I missed it. Congrats on the 1 year anniversary. Almost 1 year for me. I think I came in late February last year. I did not know what to think, but I'm glad I stuck with it. Can we check out AJI/BTC on Binance? Looks like a good reversal/channel.
Sure, man. Scour dude, thanks for the kind words, man, on that. Really appreciate it. Yeah. Wow. Old Agi, dude. Agi did it, man. Wow. That was close to a Gartley on Agi, but I think it retraced way too far. It could have been a bullish bat pattern, but I think we retraced in the middle too far. But we'll look at it. Okay, we'll look at it after this. Sorry. Spoiler alert. Alright, so thanks to you didn't know what to think when you started in February. Well, we'll I don't know, one day we'll start doing, rewinds and stuff like that, okay? I don't know, man, if we're including everything, let's see what happens if we do this, right? Including the entire chart. That's not bad. Not bad. A lot of chop, right? Logan, man, are you kidding me, dude? I feel so good!
Dynamite! Happy anniversary, Mr. John Wayne, Jesus Man Inverse Independence Day Aliens. No Will Smith, Been Through Thick and Thin, Scrubs, LA Adventures, Tip Wars, Drink Trolls and Endless Eggplants. You're a lighthouse in the fog of lies, guiding the family.
King Logan, man, thanks so much, dude. I appreciate it. I wish I was taller. I could be a better lighthouse, right? But 6 foot. I wish I was dude. The Drink Troll. I wish I was the Drink Troll's height. That would make me a seriously lit lighthouse, dude. Probes 2 would be a good lighthouse.
I missed the first couple months of Mitch Ray TA. So here's to my 10-month anniversary.
Greg, man, dude, thanks for the 1829 of Litecoin, right? Was that Litecoin? Gosh dang it, man. I haven't have up both of these. Hold on. I think it was Litecoin. If I'm mistaken. But, dude, thanks so much, man, for the 10 months of support. And Kang Logan, dude, thank you, dude, for the 8888. repeating, of course. I was stupid, man. I should have created the other variation. Didn't even think about it, man. I should do 88, 88, and 888, 88, right? We joke, but that's actually happened before, right? I think you've done that once, and then Mr. Damon was like 800. So, what is going on, dude? Let me log in. I want to make sure I was good on Greg. Alright, sorry, that was because I logged into. Oh, it's Bitcoin, dude. Thanks for the Bitcoin, dude. 1859 of Bitcoin. Love you, man. You too, Kang Logan, dude. Scour, dude. Thank you all. Okay. Looks like the session top. We have a serious session top now. Okay. Good luck beating Kang Logan, dude. The 8s will stay. Thanks, man. So, with Pauly to BTC, you said there was a lot of volume on the daily or something? You know what, man? Holy crap. Daily time scale? Dude. Hold on a sec, alright? Are you kidding me? We might have ourselves some sort of harmonic, potential harmonic. Let's real quick. Load high point. Not using those bits. 88.6, but here. Yeah, 88.6. This might be a bat. See, I think the retrace was too low. See, this low, we shouldn't have gone this low. If you wanted a valid bat or a valid Gartley, I mean, we can try it from the candle closes. See, you're still too much, man. It's like 66% retrace. 63. And that's almost 61.8% retrace from candle close to candle close. Then you run up, right? 72.6. Okay, whatever. But we retrace. We want to retrace. See, we wanted to stop right here at 78.6. This is it, man. So here we are. We're right around that area, are we not? For a potential pattern. Dude, I gotta create my own. Let me try to include it all. Make it look better. So you were looking for this right here, but you're below that now, right? You're lower than that, not by much, but I don't know, man. I see this doesn't look valid now. We're falling below. All right, but here from B to C though, right? Where have we gone from the low to the stupid wick high? See, we haven't even retraced 127%. But we're, you know, the problem is, man, like the fib is from the candle close to a candle close, and if you do it like that, then you're really right at that entry, right? You're at the entry for Pauly to BTC, right? Wow, man, you're literally touching it, 24.54. Interesting. But there's no divergence, like you don't have anything else with it, right? You don't have, like Bitcoin had like bullish divergence on the daily time scale, like from this low to from this island to this island, it was bullish, and then look, we ran up a little bit and then dumped, and so like, I mean, we have bearish convergence from this low to this low, right? But from this low to this low, there is, it seems like, some divergence. Bearish convergence on the RSI. I don't know, man. Pauly seems maybe like it might have some sort of harmonic, and this might be the entry, but you don't have anything else behind it, right? One thing you got to know is coinciding variables. Doesn't look like we have many. You have the Gartley by itself, which is not strong. You need to have multiple things going on, right? Bitcoin was at the 1414 with bullish divergence on both oscillators, critical support. If you look left, though, there is some support a little bit from August of 2018. So let's put a pin in this, okay? We'll put a pin in it and see what happens, all right? Just set up your alerts, man, on that. Wow. Holy crap. Pauly, dude. Pauly, man. It's not near as strong as Bitcoin, but it's potential, and it might be there. It might be real. Here's a Agi coin. Agi. This is one we talked about. It looked like it could have been maybe a Gartley, but sorry, we retraced too far. I think we went from a low point to a high point, 88.6%. And I think 88.6 is fine. And it's crazy that we reversed the, like, literally at the 88.6 and the upsloping support. Wow. Powerful stuff, man. Normally these harmonics, though, if you want to have an 88.6% retrace, we're looking for the bat pattern. And that'd be from X to A, the impulse. And then when we retrace, we would only want to retrace between 38% and 50%. We do not want to go any lower than that. And unfortunately, we did. We got as low on a candle close. We got like a 58, 59% retrace. And this is why we talk about we were okay with Bitcoin if it wanted to. If it wanted to go to the 1618 at 3232, it would have been okay, because this is a specific example right here, okay, of how the Gartley and the bat kind of like got married and did the same thing together, right? Disregard that crap, man. Whatever. It was a Rudy Poo little pumpy dump, right? Who cares about that, man, in the middle? That's not part of it, okay? That's like, what? Ugh. Okay. You can clearly see the real structure. And 88.6% retrace to the upside, okay? You're okay there. Normally you want 78, right? But retrace 88.6%, and we bounced from there. That was it. So, despite a valid pattern or not, bread and butter fibs, man. Your most major retrace is where you bounced, and it was coinciding with the support that we've been holding since October. All right, beautiful little slow channel. Oh, what? Are you kidding me? Damn, Melissa.
Is that a joint?
Oh, it feels so good, dude. Dan Melissa, thank y'all so much for the 2420. Not repeating, of course. You know, in terms of the numbers and stuff. So, I'm getting used to that with the Trons, but and the 8s. Holy crap! Does anyone else want any kind of special repeating? I know Natasha wants the 11s, 1111, but I'm still trying to figure out what the emoji ball would be for her contribution. Right? Someone try to figure that out. Julia, what would Vasha want? What do you think she would want as her signature? Give me that info. Sweet. Okay, so, you know, I'm talking about, man, it's like a mix. It's like a hybrid of Gartley bat. Okay. So I'm good with that. I'm cool with that, dude. Don't have to be perfect, but just remember, when you get structures like this, patterns like this, remember 78% retrace, 88.6% retrace, man. All right? Okay, here's Angie. Wow, man. Very, very freaking cool. Oh, hey, by the way, y'all. By the way, before we go to something else. I think that was something else. I think Angie was the something else. Sorry. We're good. Yeah, this was the something else. Look at this, y'all. Okay, so the Beeswaxers sent me this a while back. Whatever. Dude, it's been down as a piece of, like, art or, like, you know, eye candy in my kitchen. But, like, look at this, man. Y'all, look at this freaking dragon, man, that they sent me. It's a candle. Why would you ever make a candle like this? 'Cause I'm never gonna burn it, dude. This is just gonna sit in my house forever. But, like, dude, this is insane, man. Okay, I didn't even know people could make candles like this. It's ridiculous. So it's one of those Japanese dragons. It's like Dragon Ball Z's dragon, right? Earth's dragon. Yeah, anyone? Okay. So sweet, man. Very cool. Thank you, Beeswaxers, for the really cool candle. They also sent me an alien head, like the Independence Day alien Jesus peoples. So I think that's what that was for. But anyway, let me get through some chat real quick. Shy LaBeef, Natek, yeah, exactly, dude. He's very shy. I think 4chan found him in, like, Europe somewhere in a cabin. Ridiculous. So, but zombie dude, where's Bitcoin gonna retrace? Oh no, we can look at it in a minute, man. Oh, hey, why even a minute? Your local on the 8s. Oh my god. So anyway, with this, man, C to D, 382, 618, 100% or 1272. Those are your targets. Swing high, swing low. There you go. Back to Bitcoin. Should have changed those to blue. I think my bearish patterns need to stay this color, and then my bullish just need to stay the bluish color. So you know how I do, like, if you see divergence on my screen, it's going to be a green trend line, red, bearish divergence, and then white's going to be convergence of some sort. So, you know, I'm trying to, you know, keep people from getting confused on stuff, right? But anyway, where will we retrace? Where could we retrace? All right, well, you want to get a little confused for a second. From the lowest point to the highest point of the impulse, we have retraced at this point 23%. We have not even touched a 38% retrace yet. You know, we have not. 38% is 35.71, and we got as low as 35.81. So we were $10 off a 38% retrace from your low point to your high point. So this has room to fall. This could go to 35.28, 34.85. Legit, man. Okay, but you wouldn't want it to. You want to, you know, maybe 35.71. We bounce. You know, if we solve a little bit more, who cares? Because that 20 moving average is confluent with the 382 right now, 35.71. So maybe we could bounce off that, bounce off the this trend line, this teal trend line. That's the 75% trend line of our equidistant channel we've been in since November. So 200 moving averages there too. A lot of support right here, more than you'd think, right? It's right here. I'd hate to see us fall below that. That would suck. So let's see if we can hold up in this area between 35.44 and 35.70. Okay. Longer you hold there, the higher your chances are of a break to the upside. Okay. Sweet, man. Thanks, Blake. Love you too, man. Bigger triangle on the weekly time. So Mark Bot, man, I know what you're probably talking about the entire chart that looks like a triangle, right? But the thing is, triangles, wedges, these patterns, they are pauses in trends. They are pauses in impulses. So you can't have a triangle that is literally on the weekly and it's the size of the entire chart, right? It just doesn't work like that. But I know what you're saying, man. I think there's just support and resistance. Jimmy Ragsdale, where's he been, man? I missed that guy a lot. Okay. The cup looks like it wants a taste of a tasty fill of mead, Peter Walker. If I had mead, man, maybe I'd do it. I just don't have mead. It's not like a standard thing you get in Greenbow. Okay, downtown Greenbow, man. No, Dan, I wish I remembered, dude. So, thanks for at least bringing it up, man. You're the only one to bring it up. Like, yeah, late anniversary party. All right, let's turn back on the celebration. Okay, confetti's back on, man. Okay. Julie, that's a good question. I want him back. Get the Viking hat out. S-Draw. Maybe I should put on the wizard hat or something. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, look on the lates, man, by 1 minute. Fireworks myself. Did we get 100 though? I think that should stick there, right? No matter what, we fireworks the 100, unless it's 4th of July or New Year's. So I'm just really behind on chat. Good. You see that in the background? I could. Y'all chat? What do y'all think? Should I go put on the Viking hat since we randomly realized that it was 1 year of my solo content creation? Anyone? I mean, it was like this time, 1 year ago, I started producing Lightning Analysis. That was the name. That was what I named it. Where we do like short little updates on different cryptos around the sphere and post it like 10-minute long videos and just analyze them. So we'll start doing long. Dude, so much has changed since then. Dude, it's lagging like crazy. Well, my restream is anyway. Dude, the Star Wars world's here, man. Dude, I missed so much chat. My bad, y'all. Okay. Manlet. Your first stream, I told stream TA means nothing and Bitcoin won't retrace, and it went up 10% like the next day. Boom. There you go, Dan, man. There you go. I think that might have been the doubled bottom. We had all those coinciding variables. That was amazing. Hey, True Stoner, dude. Welcome, man. Yeah, Kang Logan. We should change the rules. We should just say 88.8% retrace at this point.
We have been together longer than 88.88% of all my exes. Survived the great FOMO, Benito, HOC, Beasley and all the haters. Clinking beer mugs forever. Less than 3 uh-oh. Bless RNG feels amazing man caused hashtag Viking.
What was bless RNG? Are we going to do random number generator blessings? Okay, you will get blessed. You will get blessed. Maybe. If the numbers are random or something. I don't know. Dude, thanks. Yeah, King Logan, man. Let's bring up those memories, y'all. If y'all have any kind of special memories of the stream, feel free to talk about them. Dude, Dan and Melissa, are you kidding me, man?
Is that a joint?
Or woman?
Dynamite!
Thanks, y'all. Really. The repeating, of course, now, right? 24/20 repeating, of course. Thanks, y'all. Fantastic. God, y'all are amazing. No, Star Wars Worlds has been here multiple times. Everyone's saying he's retreated since 6 Cave. No, he's been here. He was here like yesterday, right? The Gartley Gang sign. Dude. Thank y'all. Seriously, Logan, Dan and Melissa, y'all are freaking amazing, okay? I mean, y'all really gonna get me to... I'm soon have to get a beer, okay.
Viking Hat FDW. Thank you for a year of fun and charts. Thanks to this great community that has followed you in this journey. Good stuff. Cheers.
Thanks, Skyward Man, for the 10, dude. Kangs, man. Really appreciate it. Alright. Killing me, man. You're killing me. Alright, so it seems like we got a couple... It looks like Logan and Skyward are liking the Viking hat. Y'all both mentioned it in the TTS now. Uh-oh. What's up, Zachary, dude? Welcome, man, to the belated celebration. Polyethereum long term makes a lot more sense. Does it look Gartley-ish in a way? What's up, Bearable Guy? This is Mitch Ray. I'm a time traveler. If you respond to my comment, I won't hear till later because I started watching from the beginning at 38 minutes into the stream. Could call on the Gartley. Cheers. Hey, Bearable Guy, man. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Thanks, dude. Much love. I need to get her something sexy, Julie. That doesn't help me. Like, I can't. Okay, I'm just gonna throw something sexual in the emoji jar for 1111, but I don't know what that is. It's just gonna say sexual. Okay, it's just gonna drop. You want to, dude? Bitcoin is the most dumpster fire logo I've ever seen, Billy, man. You don't want BCN. I'm telling you, you don't want it. I don't even think we can make it good. We can't even make, because it looks like Burst coin. It looks like all these other coins, dude. It's not a Viking, it's a Viking.
It is not a Viking. It is a Viking.
Oh my god. Dude, y'all are gonna love it. I've got the 80s bandana on the Viking helm, dude. So it's gonna be retro. It's gonna be retro. Thanks, Logan, man. 116.64 to top Jesus of the session, right? The session top. Wow. That's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool that thing does that. All right. Yeah, man. As soon as I get to the chat, I'm like, see what everyone says. Because, dude, I need to get beer too, man. This is crazy, dude. God. I can't catch up, man. It's tough. It's never enough, Jimmy, man. It's never enough. Kang's Liam Ivy. That's right. What's up, Eric Coffeen? He made it, man. He made it. Good. Better late than never. But we're deducting points from Gryffindor. How about a skyline shot of Greenbow, Billy, man? Oh my god, man. Dude, I can't, dude. I can't. I gotta get a webcam set up outside for it, okay? I'm gonna get Chalen to work on a live shot of Greenbow, Alabama that will actually be my overlay in the back, okay? For real, it will be. So, you just wait. Anniversary on the lates. Yeah, dude. Seriously. BNB is a monster. Wolf of Worcester. Yeah, it has been freaking nuts, dude. It's awesome, man. It's awesome. Very good. Yep. Viking hat. 8s, 1s. 5, 8, 9. So Zachary wants the Gandalf hat. He wants the wizard hat. We survived Benito. Yes, we did. Oh my god, man. The 8s and the 1s. Holy crap. Can we have a playback right now? The time when I was tipped 5K? Blake Carrier. I don't know, man. I don't know. People might be like, oh, you know, this is a TA show, right? Don't want to watch replays of that. I don't know. Zachary says, the first time Zachary watched me, I put on a Viking hat and reeled you in. Been hooked. Was it the Viking hat? Dang, dude. You were Myth Killer Sovereign 1 year ago. Thanks, Crypto Kiwi, man. Glad to have you around still, dude. Alright, Dan, man. We'll see you in a minute, okay? Hopefully, if you make it back. Stay hydrated, get a beer, dude. Julia, oh my god.
Preston Dip.
Julia Gulia tipped $116.18. Go get that Bekong helmet on. Crack a can. Let's celebrate 1 year of the greatest stream with the best community on the internet ever.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Dude, Julia, thanks for the 116.18. Wait, are you kidding me? Look at this. Julia, you're at 116.18. Logan's at 116.64. Holy crap, y'all are both at the 1618 retrace, pretty much, right? Right around there. That's where we both might be seeing a reversal in price action. So, get wrecked. Alright. You drive a hard bargain. Give me like 2 seconds. I guess I have to do this now. Alright, that was kind of it, right? Let's make sure I have it right here. Where is it? What? Huh. Oh, okay. I got it. Alright. Give me a sec. Let me see, make sure. Yeah, I've got it on. The alert boxes, you can actually do stuff. Perfect. Okay. You're gonna be like 2 seconds. I'm gonna get this Viking hat on, and I gotta go downstairs to get a beer. So just hold tight. I'll be back. Freaking love y'all. Wow. Hello, Torettos, I've returned with my miniature drinking horn. I got this for Christmas and this is the first time I've ever used it in my life, okay? So, it literally holds like half a beer. I just learned this. Half of one beer, alright? So, it looks like it's levitating, right? I guess it makes the beer taste more Nordic, a little better. I guess, man. So yeah, dude. Damn, Melissa, are you kidding me?
Is that a joint?
Marijuana's bad.
Dude, thank y'all for the 2420 repeating, of course. Holy crap. Who was this all? Y'all are incredible. Thank you so much. Just for the love, ongoing support. I just can't even believe it, man. I feel like I'm freaking floating in outer space, and I'm dreaming right now, okay? Thank y'all. I got no words that can show my gratitude for y'all, okay? All of y'all. Thank you. Oh, looks like Bitcoin really hadn't moved since I left, huh? Still potentially, you know, we know we're forming consolidation right now. We're consolidating, we just don't really know really what kind of consolidation we're getting right now. Some would say it's a triangle, a flag, whatever, okay? We're just waiting, okay? Just barely engulfed. Nice green candle on the daily close and a nice red candle on the daily open. Alright. And we're talking about 4-hour candles here, so. Right, Bradford, man? Trust in the Gartley. What's up, Junior? What? Repeating, of course. Dang. But how's Bitcoin looking? Do the charts still look bearish? Yeah, they still look bearish. Yeah, zoomed out. Yes, they're bearish still. Yeah. The bull run is not almost coming, but a major retrace might be still coming. We still might be ready for a big major fib retrace. Yeah. But bullish, even if we hit our highest point at that moving up, we're still not bullish. So, no. I don't think we're bullish. For real. It's just a short-term move to the upside, dude. I'm sorry that it took us 6 to 7 weeks to develop a nice bullish pattern. It matured, double bottom, bullish divergence, and we brought it to the upside. Don't get mad at me for that. And don't think that it's a bullish reversal of the overall trend. This is peanuts. $300 move. Dude, this thing has lost so much value. So much higher it has to go to start to really make consistent higher highs, higher lows. It's not even making higher highs than its previous highs, really. What's up, Young Song? Judge Allison Nathan and Zachary. Kay Ivy, yep. Those are some nice memories, dude. This is loud. Holy crap. Always does this, man. I guess that's better. Wolf of Worcester sauce. Wolf of Worcester, yeah. Nuclear Stream was epic, Zachary. Yeah, dude, we've had a couple of those, right? Young Song, what kind of wines do I like? Cabernet Sauvignon. It's pretty good, you know. But I don't like the stuff it does to your teeth, you know, or your mouth. It like stains and stuff. I like that. You know, Pinot Grigio is really good too. Can't go wrong with Pinot Grigio, right? That's it, dude. Wines, if you're asking, dude. So. Oh, did we get 100 likes, y'all? Or are we screwed? It says 29 likes for me. God. Oh, wow. Hey, thanks for the 11 dislikes, you scrubs out there. Get wrecked, dude. Y'all mad? Y'all mad, bro? Young Song had a couple wines this evening. Uh-oh. Hey, Andy K. Iceberg. What's up, Derek York, man? Yeah, the light's working in here. I can't even... I think they are. I think they're working. Prosperity Plus, thanks for watching the stream, man. Thank you. Okay, just getting through chat because I missed a lot, dude. Because we're analyzing Viking hat, all that stuff, right? Okay, man. Summon CCP probes, man. Yep. Where's Erwin, dude? Erwin Coffee.
Congrats, Lord Ray. It's one good year. Cheers. Clanking beer mugs.
Clanking beer mugs. Dude, thanks for the 1776, the very, very patriotic Erwin Coffee in the jar. Thank you, dude. Erwin beer, that's y'all going next, right? If I drink coffee, tea, beer, and water, you gotta get Erwin water and Erwin beer. Okay, so then you can get everything that I drink, right? Kappa, but you know. Thank you, dude. Thanks, dude, for the support and love. Alright, for all this time, man. Okay. Thank you, dude. All y'all. It's awesome, man. Viking mode. Should I put on the little cape thing? It's just hot, man. It's like hot in here, dude. Yeah, pretty much, Julia. Exactly. Motec, make your wish. 111 likes, 11 dislikes. There you go, man. That's Vasha, right? Vasha's the 1111 queen. Let's do it. Boom, fireworks. Thank y'all for the 100 likes. Y'all are amazing. Day in, day out. Night in, night out, right? Okay, so let's go back to Ethereum real quick. That's really not changed. Still doing that look on the 8 stuff, right? Downsloping channel. Double bottom, bullish divergence. Broke to the upside, huge run. I mean, went from, you know, $104 to a high of 124. And then we ran even higher today. That's how Ethereum popped. We got as high as $128. But could not sustain prices above a downsloping resistance that is real. It is there. It has been respected. And you have been sold off right at that level. Okay, so here you go, man. Move the upside. You know, consolidated, ran up again. You had like almost no positive momentum. The second move up and relative strength was lower. So despite, if you want to call that, you know, real divergence in terms of like Class A, B, or C, it's more so just like you are diverging on price action and oscillators. That's it. Okay, whatever. Yeah, dude. Those fiascos were rough, Zachary, man, but we got through it, and look how strong we are now, right? Put it all on. Mix up the Wizard and Viking and Moonboy. How do I do that, though, man? Because they're only helms. I have one cape, that Moonboy hat. So I kind of did with the 80s, right? But you can't really put on anything else, right? Kind of screwed. This kind of tastes like interesting. I don't know. I'm filling back up because that was like, I'm not quite finished, but it tastes all metallic and weird. Yeah, this horn was created from the remains of my enemies and those who would wish to see me fail and fall. That's it, dude. Julia, are you going to stand for Logan's aggression? Because you have, well, like 50 cents and you can be the session top? I mean, Julia, hath you no pride? Yeah, no doubt. Skyward, no doubt, man. Yeah, it's weird, Dan. It's really weird, man. Okay, so holy crap, man. Alright. Why is this not visible? Let me go back. I think that should have been visible right here. Let's go to the daily now. See, I can't remember. I've had like 3 or 4 charts. Yeah, I've just got myself a little channel from, you know, May 5th and all the lows down here. It looked pretty freaking good. And we're out of it, making the higher lows. We thought we might be able to double bottom at $80-something. But it seems like we're still making lower highs than our previous highs. We're making higher lows, but this isn't over, man. We could very well just dump again. All right, just remember the trend, the prevailing trend is bearish. All right, it really is. Okay, so. But yeah, man, it's just, I don't know, man. I don't think it's that that good looking on the daily. It's okay, right? It truly is okay, but it's just not that great. All right. So keep your guard up on Ethereum. I don't think it's that bullish, man. Until we break above $226, man, I think you're still very bearish here. Like, I like the higher low. But that's about it, man. I like the higher low. And dude, we have not confirmed this the higher low yet. I mean, like, if we run up and make a lower high here again, and then we sell off and come down to double bottom, it might be a nice double bottom. But then again, man, it could just, if you crack below $80, man, it's like all over. It's all over, man. Any kind of thought of any kind of bullish spring, gone, dude. So. I don't know, man. Okay. Either way, zooming in though, okay, man, gotta break the down slipping resistance. You have to, man. All right, that's a big Momo shift, and that would be very good for us. It's important. We need to break it, okay? These things need to be broken. If we're making a higher low here, what are we made of? Where's the demand? Let's get some real demand, okay? Because from a high point to a low point, wherever we retraced, we hit, what did we hit? We had a 38% retrace, just like Bitcoin, and that's it, 127.26, and we were rejected right there at that point. So your first common retrace area, come on, man, let's hit 134.78. Let's hit 142.31. But each fib note at this point is now where we will be looking to see a reversal in price action to the downside. Okay. Pray for Bitcoin. That's it. Pray for Bitcoin. You think the yellow bandana is what we needed on the Viking hat? Boom. We got it. Princess Riley. It's not yellow, it's gold. Not really, but. What you talking about, Billy, man? What you talking about? Side girl's here. She's here. Fireworks for side girl. Psh. They're there. They're there. 100 likes and side girl shows up. Coincidence? That is her summoning, isn't it? I need to drink more and tell y'all what I think about the upcoming season of Game of Thrones. I don't know. I'm not speculating on that. I'm not speculating on Game of Thrones. Because I really don't know. I think that it's not going to go the way we think, right? Dude, come on, Restream. What's about Prosperity Plus? ETFs approved, bullish on box, infidelity. Oh yeah. Mr. Shaver says he's learned a lot over the last year. Thanks for making the day a little brighter. Thanks, Mr. Shaver, man. Cheers to you, man. This is for you, brother. You love when I talk to the scrubby coins. Always makes you laugh. Cover crypto. Boom. I do that a lot, don't I? What happened, Kiki? Slightly more than 3%. Okay, we got it. What's up, Crypto Dancer coming in from Germany or Germany? Kappa E. Welcome, man. Welcome. I have a little German blood, just a little. So anyway, a good Ripple, I guess. Right. Okay, man. Okay. So we're just looking at falling wedge on Bitcoin. We finally got out of it, making the higher low, but it seems now that we're making the lower high. We've got ourselves some price contraction going on Ripple or XRP. Price contraction, higher lows, lower highs. Can't break the 200 moving average. Just can't do it, man. Logan, you look at Tom Brady, man.
Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. A teacher affects eternity, his influence stops. To build a ship, don't drum up the men to gather wood, divide the work, and give orders. Instead, teach them to yearn for the vast and endless sea.
Excellent, King Logan, man. Did you make that up? Was that you? Because you could write a book, man, if you did. That's wonderful rhetoric, man. A teacher affects eternity. Wow. Very cool, man. The fishing pole, not the fish, right? The fishing pole, not the fish. So we've been trying to, show for a year now, and it's awesome, dude. And thank you for being such an awesome person and being part of the community, man, because it wouldn't be anywhere near the same without you, dude. Thank you, man. Gangs. Session Top expanding his lead on belated random, I forgot, 1 year anniversary night, right? Whoops. Holy crap. Okay, Cygro's gonna raid the beer fridge. Get that Voodoo IPA if you have any left. Sun Tzu. I got you, dude. Sun Tzu, it seems, right? Or maybe not. I don't know. Miss Kenton, this for real. Thanks, Prosperity. Have a good one, dude. Much love. Okay. So, okay, big move, man. Measured move will be quite large, right? Quite large, from 28.5 cents to 34 cents. Wow. Be 7-8 cent move. Okay, so again, that would put us at our target, our minimum target for a falling wedge. Don't know if we'll get there. If this measure move hits the downside, we're screwed. Okay, you're breaking critical support. 25 cents seems very likely if you don't hold 28.5 cents, man. Big deal on Ripple. Very critical supports where we are now. We're above it now, but we were at critical supports. In fact, we had broken below an upslipping support that stemmed back to July 2017 before bouncing back into it. So, Beast-Eyes, man. Viking Night. Yes. Yes, man. 11:32 on the Gold Coast, man.
Is that a joint?
Thanks for the 1 year. You haven't do a great job, Mon.
Thanks, dang zombie man, for the 420 contribution. Is that a joint, man? Thanks, dude. Cheers. All right, cheers. I've got enough beers up here to give me loosey-goosey, all right? Hey, yo, I forgot to turn it off, man. 15% chug, 33.33. Repeating, of course. See, King Logan, you did 28.28, but you could have done 33.33, and could have made me get wrecked. Okay, so just saying. And Julia, instead of 116.18, right? You could have done multiple 333s to screw me. Screw me. B says, man, thanks for the host, man. Party lights. Remember back in the day when I had my old bulbs, I used to play the party lights nonstop, but you couldn't control them, so. It said, Serve, you're the only one sitting naked at their desk. You're probably not. Probably multiple people that are naked at their desk, but it's okay, man. Yeah. Sorry. Alright, so, what's XRP, man? Let's take a look at the keys, since the market's opening back up tomorrow. And it was a little scary, man. It's a little like, hey, man, it looks like we've maybe created our swing high. Maybe we're done, but nay, we were freaking pivoting off the 20 moving average on the 4-hour time scale. Unbelievable. After breaking down sloping resistance. Jeez. You broke out, man. The partial decline. Perfect education right here. The example of the partial decline. When you make these partial declines and you run up and you hit the resistance, you have a very, very high chance of breaking out. And we did. But we got us high from a major all-time high to the lowest low. We have run up and we hit $170. That was the golden retrace, 62% retrace, and we've since sold off. But hey, man, again, the pivot staying above the 200 moving average, 20 moving average, and 50 above all three. 4-hour time scale, but we go to the daily. Look, here you go, man. Like high, higher high, highest high, about the same amount of positive momentum. Go to the daily. Here it is, man. This is real. Like, I know the swing high has not been established, right? But every time you're making higher prices, you're making lower levels of positive momentum. So it may not be literally bearish divergence. You are diverging from your price is diverging from your positive momentum. Your volume is receding, right? You're making higher prices at a 200-day moving average, failing to break it with lower levels of volume every time you make higher prices. So it's not necessarily a good thing. Crypto Dancer, man. Guten Tag. Thanks for the 618, the Fibonacci contribution. Kangs. What'd y'all do to the lights, man? Pretty cool. It's like red over here and blue back there. That's pretty lit, dude. It's lit. It's lit. Dude, I do not like the way this smells, man. It does not smell pleasant inside this horn. I think it's real. I know it's real, and it smells like it's real, dude. I'm just gonna like hold my nose every time I drink out of this thing. It's got a little holder thing, look. It's part of the, I think it's the other part of the horn or whatever. I don't know. King Logan, man, thanks so much, man, for the host on Twitch, dude. Kangs, dude. Who's the one viewer, man? Who is that, Benito, man? The Benito. Dieter Dirks, man.
No one like you. Psy Girl. 1 year the mayor of Greenbow, Alabama. You know him, you love him, you want more of him. Live TA with Mitchell Nathaniel Ray.
Nathaniel?
Today, 589.
Nathaniel? Wait, where did Nathaniel? I remember that. I think I was really drunk, though, when the Nathaniel thing came up, dude. Dieter Dirks. So thanks for the 3333 repeating, of course. You were rolling the dice, man. To wreck me. You were rolling it. Seriously, man. Let me check this. Hold on a sec. Dude, thank you, man. Seriously. Thank you, brother. Alright, so I want to look at this real quick. Just see here. We're going to be careful on the cues. Getting a little interesting here. I'm just going to get waves on like Bittrex, the US dollar. I don't know, man. Like I'm just picking one randomly. It's US dollar, 4-hour chart. Zooming out. It's not bullish. I mean, it's okay. It's not bad, man. Not bad at all. Right. Let's just see what we can do, man. We're just going to play around, trial and error. If it doesn't work out, who cares, man? Don't be mad at me for just messing around, dude. So you can do it like that. Oh, God. Brenda's Riley, thanks so much for the host on Twitch. Thanks, Hottie. You're amazing. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, I don't know, man. 1 and 2 and 3 on the top point, 1 on the bottom, 2 on the bottom. I mean, it's okay, but you're not really giving much respect to the heart line, I don't think. You're just kind of chopping around on it, right? You're not doing much. All right, let's go to daily real quick. Thanks, Princess Riley. So even if I did 1 and 2 on the bottom, I would do 3 on the top, and it's still really nothing that special. I like this. I like how we ran up and rejected the 75% trend line, just like we did here. Candle closes, none. None above. All right. Other than that, man, that hard line's nice. I don't like it. So, all right. That's cool, dude. We're going to leave it. up for the daily, but we're going to take it away. We know we're in the middle of a downsloping channel, right, of some sort. So we're going to go to the 4 hour now and see if there's anything going on in the shorter term. Okay. What can we do in the shorter term? So we had a nice run up. We retraced probably 50% of the way. Okay, yeah, okay. Forgive me. Near the 62% retrace, but literally where we are right now is at a 50% retrace, $2.83 or something, right? In terms of structure, I don't know, man. Right? I don't. It's let's see. Yeah, it looks like some sort of a downsloping channel. Okay, so you got there it is, man. All right, so it seems like we are above the heart line now, going sideways. I guess some sort of a small little triangle, maybe. Price contraction's real, right? Okay, so a downsloping channel with a little fractal of a little bit of price contraction. That's it. Symmetrical triangle. Here's your waves US dollar. Okay, it worked out. Whoa. There you go, man. There you go, there's your waves, man. From a low point to a high point, we've retraced, golden retrace 60% of the way. Your last common retraced area. Oscillators, not really telling us too much, right? Not really telling us anything. Bearish convergence a little bit. Okay, yeah, there you go. When you get the price contraction, the oscillators aren't really, they're not that good of an identifier. They don't help you as much, right? You can get bullish convergence, bearish convergence, whatever, but there's not going to be any impending price action reversal stuff that we're looking for. So these patterns are neutral, and they can be tricky, right? They can be real tricky because you're not getting as much help with that MACD and RSI as you would get on lower lows or other patterns, right, with falling wedges with the lower lows, right? So here you go, man. Measure move to the downside will put you at 174, 786 retrace perfectly on the dot. Move the upside will put you at $3.56. Wow, big moves either way on this triangle, right? There you go on waves, dude. That's your shorter term waves. Waves, Kangs. All right, there you go, Miss Shaver. Hope that helps. All right. Cool, dude. It makes the beer taste weird too, man. Ugh. What's up, Georgie? Hello? Let's get into chat. Did my stream thing break, man? Yeah, lit half red, half blue. There you go, B-Slice, man. Prune juice. Thanks, Bearable Guy, man. Glad you're here. Purple is the best light color I can use, or one could use. I think y'all broke it. I can restart it real quick. It's not a big deal. What's up, Jerome, dude? Dash shooting up now. Whoa, man. Whoa. S-Coin probably had some divergence. It's been beaten down over and over and over. Livy too, Mr. Shaverman. Okay, I think I'm gonna get another beer. Alright, I think it's time. Hold on a sec, it's right here. So I brought it up. That's why I went away for a second last time. So I'm good now. Right, hold on. Need a new cup so I can get lit, princess. Oh, alright. Whatever.
drunk I was over drunk, at that cunning fjallers. It's the best drunkenness, when everyone after it regains his reason. Happy anniversary, this Viking poem is for you.
Good job, man. Dude, thanks so much for the friggin' 7609 of Bitcoin, dude. Hold on, so let me turn this music down. I got one hand. Dude, it's so difficult, man. The sensitivity of this mouse. I don't think it's that. I think it's just you can only move it a certain amount until it gets too loud or too quiet. Dude, Mr. Shaffer, man. Dude, thanks for freaking 76, man. 76. The Bitcoin. He says, I was drunk. I was over drunk at that cunning Felars. It's the best drunkenness when everyone after it regains his reason. Happy anniversary. This Viking poem's for you, dude. Oh, dude, thank you so much, man. Freaking love you, man. Means everything. Seriously. Y'all are just all so freaking amazing. And again, I can't even believe I didn't even think about it. You know, that yesterday was it. Cheers. Huh. Oh yeah, dude. Y'all want to see Dash, man? You see Dash is doing? Dash is doing exactly what it should do. We're calling this momentum shifting. That's what it is, the Momo shift, dude. That's it. Alright? The Momo shift. The triangle broken, most likely, right? Sim triangle ended up being. Dude, that's it, man. This is why. This is why. When you have downsloping resistance and you break it, good things can happen. There are reasons why. Why are we moving, dude? This is why. So, nice break of the upside. Nice little Eve and Eve double bottom, right? Eve and Eve. Great education here. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. The neckline was here. Measure move. We're about to hit it. We're about to hit the measure movement.
Alright. Is that a joint?
Dan and Melissa, thank y'all so much for the friggin' 2420 repeating, of course. Y'all are absolutely incredible. Look at all the marijuanas in the jar. My God. Thank y'all. Seriously. The Even Eve double bottom. Dan, man, Melissa, woman. I think we're at the target, right? Let's see. Let's see if we can get it real quick. Not that big of a pattern. That's okay. Nope, have not hit the target. Target of this double bottom is a little bit higher. It's at 2.2 cents. We'll set up an alert on the horizontal line. If we hear the beep, that means we've hit the double bottom measure, move, and kangs. That's it. There's your dash, dude. Julia Guskuski, thanks so much for the host on Twitch with the 1 viewer. Super Saiyan. Thanks, Julia. Much love. Dang, dude. Dang. Princess, I did it. I did it for you. You said I need a new cup. I got a new cup. A new horn, if you will, right? That's a nice green candle, is it not? But again, hey, we had a horizontal line here. Some resistance. We're hitting resistance, alright? It's kind of crowded, Billy Man. Is it? No. Dude, it's never crowded for my streams these days. Like, crowded. We're doing karaoke. Straw, is it a green Kush candle, man? I don't know, man. It's only I think it's only a green Kush candle when it hits the measure move. All right, but wonderful, dude. Wonderful stuff here. Okay. Dude, trying to catch up. What's up, Lee Plot? Or Space Dust IPA, Elysian? No, I have not. It sounds amazing though. Maybe I have, dude. You know how it is, man. You go to beer festivals, things, and you hear about things, but then you drink and you brown out, black out, or you just drink and you don't remember, right? So maybe Space Dust, but I think you maybe have asked me that before, and maybe that's why I think I've heard of it, you know? So crypto would be so flippin' boring without this family, dude. I agree, Dan, man. It's the only thing that's kept everything together, right? Our community, like, I think we like lean on each other for, like, dude, like, sometimes Bitcoin does nothing in a day, and it's like most people only care about Bitcoin. They don't care about stocks or Forex or anything. They only care about Bitcoin and S-Coin. It's like, well, you know, what if S-Coins aren't doing anything today? Well, people don't care, and it's like, it gets tough, you know, wear and tear. 7 days a week, you know? 7 days a week. But the crazy thing is, every time I come stream, I get like re-energized, revitalized, right? Because of y'all. It's crazy, man. I've never like felt like this. Okay. Or I felt like this kind of when I was like playing football and stuff. Like, it's just like that feeling. You always, you know, you're always refreshed. You're always ready to go. Because you love it. You genuinely love it. What are some of my favorite memories from the past year? Man, it's a good freaking question, dude. I don't know why. Pipe tops? I don't know what that is, man. Pipe tops.
Let's smoke pipe tops on my island reversal and eat some inverted scallops with double bottom even Eve's feeling super horn top for a one-day reversal. Okay. So I flag down an Uber and leave the bar with my cup and handle, back to my place for the head and shoulders.
Pipe tops, yeah, okay, that's a pattern, yeah. Island bottom, or the island reversal, eat some inverted scallops with double, or Eve and Eve, double bottoms, feeling super horn top, yeah, for a one-day reversal. So I flag down an Uber and leave the bar with my cup and handle, back to my place for the head and shoulders. Dude, you didn't even talk about the fact that you had a huge rising wedge. Party foul, sir. Party foul. Dude. Kang Logan, man. What are you doing? Why would you ever make yourself have tip $188.98, dude? You were off by a dime. Is that what you were going for, dude? You were off. You were off. That 98's gonna irk me, man. Dude, thanks, man, for the wonderful play on, you know, play on patterns. It's a pun. It's a pattern. Okay, thanks, dude. Much love. Some of my favorite memories, dude. I don't know, Viking nights when I used to have the candle lights. Remember the lights that were like literal, they were acting like candles? That was fun, playing actual Viking Celtic music. The largest short squeeze in the history of Bitcoin. When we were calling it, right, we were looking at the shorts chart, how insane it had gotten, and then we were looking at the bullish divergence and the higher lows, and we're like, dude, it's coming, man. Dude, the squeeze, all it's going to take is one person with money to start a cascading effect of short covers, and it's going to, like, make us explode, because that's what it is when you're shorting. It's a contract, and if it keeps running up, you have to cover your shorts. When you do, that means you have to buy back, and that means you're more people buying. So you got real people buying and people short, covering their shorts, and so it's like a huge monumental green candle. We got it, and we woke up. It was like Christmas Day, and people were posting, like, I think the night before, when it was Viking night the night before, and I like had a picture of me, or someone took a picture of me being like, oh, and like it was, you know, I woke up and that was on Discord. That was extremely fun, man. And another moment was, you know, the easy rising wedge we saw. We had dumped. It was like the next dump we got. The Rising Wedge, we were talking about, hey, there's like negative. All right, so we had bearish divergence at the top of the wedge between the 50% and the 618, and we had made a higher, slightly higher high with negative momentum, and we said, dude, this is it. This is freaking it. And we went and looked, someone asked about Litecoin, and we said, Litecoin's going to get destroyed. All right, Litecoin's about to get killed. It was making the same stuff, the higher highs with negative momentum. It had already made multiple tiers of bearish divergence, and it was like a wedge outside, a rising wedge, and it broke out of the rising wedge to the upside and formed another rising wedge. We're like, you're about to get killed on Litecoin. And the next day, killed. Litecoin got destroyed. I mean, it was like between the night stream and the day stream, it got killed. So I don't know, man. We've had so many like in memories, you know, and World War Tip War, and that's the technical analysis side, I guess, right? But like, I remember World War Tip War when we had like Rob R, and we had like Seth and Jeff and Julia and Vasha. Oh my god, like, dude, who else was partaking? King Logan was in it too. Like, we had teams. It was before we went nuclear, okay? Before Seth showed his true powers, I believe. And that was extremely memorable, man. The Tip War, World War Tip War. We've only seen really one ever. Okay, there's only been one out of like 600 plus live streams. So, what about you, Zachary, man? Those are some, right? Those are some. We could keep going. Interesting fact about myself. I don't know if it's interesting. My name's Mitch. I'm left-handed, and I have red hair, and I have green eyes. That's definitely got to be something interesting, right? Because since, like, that combination's... Tell me what that combination is in terms of rarity around the world, right? Red hair, left-handed, green eyes. So, that's something. There you go, Princess Rally. Not a secret, though. Stoned IPA. Oh, okay. Gotcha. New plot, man. New hotel brewery coming in 2020. Maybe visit. Stoned IPA. Is Stoned IPA the same as Stone IPA in Cali? I've been there. It was closed when I went there. We ate breakfast outside of Stone IPA. But there's two different ones. There's two different locations, or more, I think. The greatest community in existence. I agree, True Stoner, man. This truly is a special, rare, unique community. Okay. Sure thing, Jiron, man. There you go, zombie, man. The wedge never ceases to rise. There you go. This got weird. Yes, it did, said Zerps. In a good way. In a good way. A good weird. An after stream Mitch moment. Played an outro, rain track overlaid with widespread panic fishing, Greg. Yeah, dude, that was freaking lit, right? That was one of the first two, I think. That song, playing that, the ASMR. We need Vash and Natasha back. Hey, she was here yesterday, right? Maybe it was yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Had an army on our side and still couldn't beat Seth, Julia. But we didn't even know Seth's true form, his power. We had no idea. His Vet Moonboy power. King Logan says the 10-hour drunk stream with no TA, only talking real S about HFC. Dude, that was actually the 13-hour stream, I think, King Logan. Because they were talking crap about me because I was being literally paid to stay on longer than 10 hours. And like, I was like, okay, I'll do it if you want me to. And it turned into 3 hours. Okay, so... Oh yeah, Benito has to figure in there some. Of course, man. That was really just infamous, man. The shot vid tradition, Julia. King Logan, you got one of those going on tonight, man, that we can show? Get wrecked. That's right, get wrecked, Zachary, man. Oh my god, man. Y'all are amazing. Wow, about 40 minutes ago, Jason, what is best in life? What is best in life? Oops, sorry. It's true. That's true, Bradford, man. They can't do it, man. They can take away our subs, but they can't take away our freedom. Alright, Bradford, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the shot video, dude, so we can show it on stream. And hey, you know, if you want, we can put BC and Benito coin next to you taking a shot. That'd be hilarious, right? I don't know. We probably maximized those. Never mind. He is the scrubbiest legend, Skyward Man. What is best in life? Dude, yeah. Jason just asked me that. Chart guys. You know what I told him? I said, I would have to say how lucky I am that a community has been built around me, a bunch of people who genuinely care about me. They've changed my life and given me financial independence. That's, I would say that's best in life for me right now. That's been the best thing in my life, is y'all. Seriously. Okay. Y'all are literally what keeps me going every day, alright? When I don't feel well and it's like, maybe I shouldn't stream, it's like, dude, no way, no way. Like, these people, they're getting me. They're gonna see me. I'm not going to not be here for y'all, like, because of how much y'all changed my life. Okay, so he was zombie, but it's funny, man. Like, he got paid back in spades. Okay, it was like legendary, dude. Star Wars Worlds, yeah. No one even talked. Remember Star Wars Worlds? Like HOC like banned him, and he was not doing anything worthy of banning. He was just typing in all caps occasionally. He wasn't spamming. He was just doing it occasionally, and he got banned. And it's like, wait a second, why would Star Wars Worlds get banned? And I made sure he got unbanned. That was ridiculous. Okay, and now he's like one of our mascots, right? Star Wars Worlds. We love him. All right. Okay, Chart Guys is a Conan the Barbarian fan. Is that where it came from? Is that why you asked me that? See, Zachary's even asking King Logan, dude, what are you going to do, man? Do you have any alcohol around you to celebrate with me, man? Filling up the drinking horn once again. You can see the foam. Oh. Conan is on right now. What? Too much freaking foam, man. Hold on. I need to tell him, oops. Just learned that was a... Said I was wrecked. My God. Sorry. 2 hours left on the 4-hour candle. Oh, we are beginning to sell off a little bit more, man. A little bit more. Dang, dude, we've held support 1, 2, 3, 4 times. At 35.88. King Logan's holding it up. It looks like. And so, oh man, nothing really that crazy going on, dude. Just consolidating. A little up, a little down. Wolf of Worcester sauce? I don't know, man. If the Tron Connect airdrop is on Binance today, if so, expect a big dump on Binance, probably, right? Liquor. I'm about to break the seal. Okay. Okay, so hold on a sec. I guess I'm not gonna hit BRB. I'm just gonna like just go run to the bathroom real quick. All right, hold on a sec. Go. Hold tight. Think of a drinking game for me, okay? Be right back. Alright, sorry. I'm sure people probably wanted me to leave that up, right? It's all good. All good either way. Alright, Melissa, have a good one. Thanks so much for the love, support, contributions, everything, okay? Have a good one, Melissa. You and Dan. Y'all are amazing, okay? Bring leg up. Figure out what your alias is. What your alias says every 30 seconds. You can't figure it out, drink. Dude, no way, man. No way, dude. I'd be drunk because I can't figure it out, I don't think, man. There's just no way, man. I've been live for just over 2 hours. Alright. Your local on the lates. Look on the Kings. Sword fight, Greg? That's right, man. Dude, Restream's not being cool anymore. It used to be cool. Sure thing, Iceberg, man. Thanks for being here, dude. Alright. Okay. So just like the cues, man.
I like how you took the time to learn how to build a PC to better your stream and yourself. Most people would not even dare to venture down the rabbit hole. You are inspiration to all streamers.
Thanks, Ms. Shabba, man. Dude, really thank you, dude. And yeah, man, that was a real big part of my growth, man, was like learning how to be better at retaining attention, learning how to provide a better quality stream. It was like I had all these ideas, but it was like, dude, I don't have the PC to be able to fulfill it. And really, when I was at like HOC and stuff, man, it was like I was learning things myself and I was implementing things myself, but it was like, dude, I didn't have access to like stream elements. I couldn't go in and change things myself. I'd have to get them to do it. Like, dude, it was like, what? Why do I need y'all to do these things for me daily? Like, I'm not gonna ask y'all anymore. Like, there were so many dumb things, right? But yeah, dude, having to learn. I know so much about PCs now that I didn't know. It's insane. I learned so much, and like I was with my IT guy and just learning, just picking his brain, and now I know how to like build a PC, and I just know so much more. I've grown so much as like, you know, I guess in the computer science world, and it's really cool having that knowledge now, like all the components, everything, compatibility, you know, what works, what doesn't work. And I think my IT guy learned a lot too from it all. So, yeah, man, dude, like, and reinvesting in the stream, paying back the viewers that made me, like, I don't know, y'all helped me sustain my life, my livelihood, so, like, I'm gonna pay it back. And it's, like, constantly about raising the bar against myself, making it better than it was. How do I keep doing it? I'm constantly trying, spending money, trying to make it better, over and over and over again. Alright, so, thanks, Miss Shafferman, for pointing that out, because that it really is something that a lot of growth had to come to. This time last year, I didn't know that much about PCs, but now I know so much. And I'm sure in a year I'll know so much more beyond what I know now, right? And that's the whole point of life. Try not to spend a day without learning something, without growing in some category of your life, right? Doesn't matter what it is, just keep trying to level up, okay? Treat your life like a video game, man, all right? Thanks, dude, seriously. Much love. Overtime? Yeah, it's overtime, Julia Guskuski. The Patriots always win in overtime, Billy, man. Yeah, they do. Hey, Savina V. Thanks so much for the YouTube sub. To Jesus Lady. Thanks so much, Savina. Welcome to the stream. And it's an honor that you have subbed, alright? We did discuss that we are not accepting new subs on YouTube, but for you, we'll make an exception, alright? Kappa. We'll do one spinning Kappa. You're allotted one for the night. There you go. We'll leave it up for just a second. Still sitting, 35.89. Consolidating after the impulse. Good stuff, man. No big deal. It's gonna take time, man. 4 hour time scale. Julia, that I have an extremely long way, and I think all of us have to some degree, right? To some degree. But my God, man, getting to know all y'all has just been... I just didn't know, you know, who does, right? Whoever really knows how many good, wonderful people are out there until you experience it, right? She probably unsubbed while I was in the bathroom. Get wrecked, Greg, man. Get wrecked. Haven't you subbed and unsubbed 3 trillion times now, Greg, man? Kappa. Chat, hello? What's happening? I'm off the clock now. Did my thing break? I think it... No, it didn't. I think Kang Logan's scared of taking a shot or chug or anything. Just a sip, man. Oh my God, man. That sounds so terrible, Mr. Cantoma, looking at memes and stuff. Wow. Holy crap. Video coming soon, just have to edit it into smaller clips for Discord. Discord! What about Discord Nitro? Does Nitro let you do anything special with videos and stuff? Is it like weird? Julie, I know things have gotten better for us all, right? You too. You know, the job promotion, unfortunately it sucks for your hours a little bit for the stream. That's nothing. Who cares about that? But, I mean, really, like, your life has gotten better, right? Your life has literally changed since first watching me. You feel like you know what you're doing almost. Amen. Nothing wrong with having confidence and believing what you're doing is right. Right? B-Slice, man. Oh, I'm glad you found me, man. And really, really honored and happy you're sticking around. And we're going to keep growing together. All right. Yeah, I know. It's Princess Rally. It's a joke. I don't know how to fix it. It's like all I have to do is move. I have to go back on screen and it fixes. It's stupid. It's like this little white line I've never seen before in my life, but no one in the world knows how to fix it. I'm an IT guy. No one in chat. No one knows how to fix it. It's just this weird thing that pops up on full screen. It's a pain. pain but yields so much benefit. You built another PC all by yourself because I inspired you, and you took up sharding because I inspired. See the pattern, Miss Shabberman. I'm very happy, man. I'm very humbled and proud that I've been a positive influence in your life and others, and that's what it's all about, man. All right, look, man. If anything, if I can just connect with somebody, if they're having a miserable day, miserable week, miserable year, if I can make their life just a little bit less miserable, I feel like I'm doing my job. I feel like I know I'm getting fulfillment out of that. I know that keeps me going, that type of stuff, all right? That's the fulfillment I get in life. It's making people's lives a little less miserable. All right, with a cam and a mic. That's it. That's right, Billy, man. Right back at you, dude, okay? Right, Dan, most places you go on the internet, there's so much toxicity because of the anonymity of the internet, where people know they can be buttholes and treat people like crap because they know there's not going to be any consequence. But here, those people get completely destroyed. They're gone in seconds, right? So the only people left are the good people with good hearts that actually care about a community, right? And charting. TA. You've only been here 11 months. Well, dang, you've only been here for almost the entire lifespan, side girl. That's pretty good tenure, right? Only 11 months. What's up, Crypto Cloud? How you doing, man? Welcome. That's right, Zed's man. Hundo, right? That's what the young people say. Billy, man, well, 10k subs, dude. 10k subs, Vegas. That's like literally not going to change ever. That's never changing. That's the thing. That's what it is, okay? If it happens in 10 days, okay, we're going to Vegas in 10 days, right? Mike Lamb, yeah, you missed me accidentally forgetting that it was the 1 year anniversary of my solo content creation, right? I got somebody get another water beer, dude. Holy crap, man. One sec. Cygro says her life is better because of me and this fam. Cygro, that's freaking incredible. Thank you for sharing and just telling me that, okay? Because that's amazing, alright? It's freaking amazing. My life's better because of you and this family. This community. You're gonna text it to me? Dang, dude. Freaking Discord, man. What did you... Okay, that's fine. I'll try. I'll do what I can. I think it should be fine, right? I think people will be able to see it. Dave Jones, yeah, man. Yeah, man. 366 days of solo content creation. I think Kang Logan's stalling, dude. He's stalling, man. Kappa. Heck yeah, Mike Lamb. Glad you're a part of it. Thanks, Zachary, man. Right back at you. Ooh, what's going on with this? Dude, I always have one button on. I don't know why this is going on. Rowdy and loud. Yep, do it now. I yelled at you for watching the Boondock Saints instead of coming to this. Dude, the St. Patty's Day stream, Side Girl, though, was like, we were just getting destroyed. Like, we were dumping so hard. Remember March 18th, the day after? Bloody Sunday, Bloody Saturday, too. That whole weekend was just death. And that was like a lowest low we saw for a while. We had a huge explosion to the upside in the next coming days after that. So, yeah, it was crazy. It was like Bearish Hurricane, St. Patrick's Day celebration. Here it is. Here it is. Alright, let me see what I can do here. That's not it. Alright, let me do this. Flip it. Let me see what I can do here, okay? Oh man, it's vertical. I call you out for stalling. Oh, get wrecked, dude. Hold on, I got this. Dude, this is pretty cool, man. Alright, so this is King Logan. Sonoma. Oh, wow. Holy crap, dude. Celebration. Holy crap, dude. Is that liqueur, dude? Is that freaking liqueur? Yeah, it seems like it. The way you're cringing. Oh my god. Is it a double, triple, quadruple shot? Quintuple shot? Sextuple shot? Play Jesus Challenge for that. And I guess that'll usher in another beer from you. Come on. Thanks, baby. Hold on a sec. Alright, Skyward man. Sleep well, brother man. We'll see you tomorrow. Probably. Yeah, dude. King Logan says, I'm drunk now. Really? I can imagine, dude. That was super serial shot. But, dude, that's like 1 year worth of shots, right? Thanks, dude. Much love. I'll drink this nasty smelling horn. This real life horn to you, man. Be patient. Be well, man. Be well. Love you too, Mr. Shabberman. Man, what a wholesome freaking evening this turned into, dude. It was just a standard Sunday night stream, then all of a sudden Dan Styles is like, dude, didn't you have like a 1 year anniversary or something? It's like, dude, that was yesterday. And now it's 2 days ago because it's now the 11th. Wow. The Shot Kang? Yeah, that is his title. The Shot Kang. 888 Kang. Princess. Dude, I should have put sunglasses on. That's right. Stream's always better when Julia, Sidegirl, and King Logan are here. Right. Paulie US Dog makes more sense. It makes more sense. But it still kind of made sense, didn't it? What's up, Mr. Yamoto? Yamoto? Origato? Yamoto. But I don't know what you just said. That's what it sounds like, dude. Make it snow? Okay. Ooh, yeah, that's a good idea, Mr. Yamoto. Good idea. Why would we not do that? Right. Well, we were doing, confetti. Well, yeah, good idea, man. Very good. Yeah, a little snow, man. A little snow because it's cold. I'm a Viking, man. And whatever, man. Okay. You just noticed the bandana? Miss Kentama, what do you think this was, dude? The 120 resistance will turn into support on Ethereum. I don't know, man. Let's go to it. man, it's not really a significant, strong support by any means. I mean, you're at kind of supports, right? You're looking back. I think the real support, the real strong support is like 117, right? 1 and 2. Really, we hit it once before, right? Even here, right? We ran down Peter and hit 117. But where we are now, you would hope to God we would hold this as a support. Look, you know, you zoom in, you can clearly see. I don't know, maybe, yep. Seems like we're pinpoint accurate. Dang, dude, we haven't even touched it yet. Jeez. So if you have it like 1 and 2 up here, perfect. You haven't even touched them yet. So back testing has not happened really. 121.21. It's a big red candle though, man. Okay, so you're definitely closing and reversing kind of right there. People are taking profits at this critical down sloping resistance. Okay, this is why we draw these channels, because they are respected. All right, they are, and this is testament to it, right? Let me check this out. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Is there sound to this, Reverman? We're about to do it. Sounds loud. All right, here we go. 7 seconds. Here's Bradford. Bradford taking his shot, man.
Cheers to another year.
Cheers to another year. It's that square shot glass, man. The cap is still up, dude. Dude, Bradford has a cap on his shirt. Dude, is that our merchandise, man? Bradford, a kappa right there. Perfect, dude. Perfect, man. Screenshot it, dude. Screenshot it. Excellent, man. Can't wait to see again. Are you going to be, are you making schedules? I think we talked about the dates in March. Let me know. All right. Okay, Julia, your turn. Your turn, Julia. Man, Logan, if you'd have just tipped me 43.36, we would have been real kings. Okay, now we're peasants. Mer? Just kidding. Couldn't see it well from the cell, King Logan. My bad, dude. You like the drinking glass? It's not a glass Mobius. It's a smelly, real horn of some animal. I don't even know what it is. I got it for Christmas, and it's the first time in my life I've ever drank out of it. Tonight. Okay. We're back at you, Billy, man. You're, what was the word you said? The best. Yeah, you're the best, dude. Thank you. Check PMs. Oh, alright. Here we go. Alright, so it's nice, though, about this screen. When we go, or we're going to show it full screen real quick. Here's video 1. This is what you should have done, King Logan. Let me take this cap off, dude. Alright, we're good. Video 1. Mandarin. Oh, is it Chinese? Hanson. What is this? Hanson of Sonoma, but Mandarin. There it is. Oh my god, man. Yep, we're all drunk from that. Awesome, dude. Thanks. Yes, sir, Peter Cashman. Anytime, man. Anytime, dude. We're in March. L.A. Mobius. L.A. Yeah, Bradford. Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. There he goes, Atchery, man. Another one, dude. Another one, right? You are new here, looking to have a bash at this. This is a vague pronoun, self, camper van, and ponies, Helen. Interesting name. It's gonna be hard to give you a name. But we'll figure out a name for you, dude. But this, again, I don't know what this means. Okay, but you tell me what this is, we'll do everything we can to help you, alright, man? But dude, this channel is very, very cool on, like, you know, people will be like, I think it's been countless times people have been like, this is a dumb question, but it's like, no, it's a dumb question if you don't ask. a good question if you do ask. So don't feel like, you know, people in this chat are going to like rip your head off or anything like that, dude. Because I know a lot of communities are like that, like YouTube channels and streams. So, man, we're really accepting of like newer people that have questions about literally everything. So happy to help, okay, man? Large shot, yeah, Greg, dude. That was like a free. It wasn't a shot. That was like a champagne glass full of Mandarin Sonoma Thangs spirits. Oh, is this Bevo? Don't tell Prodigal Guitarist, man. He might be offended, dude, if I have Bevo's horn. Right. Just call you Helen. All right, Helen. Alabama Longhorn shot. Is that what it is, dude? Wow. All right. So, anyway. Well, give me a sec. Not looking hot, huh? Not looking too hot. Tron Connect. Tron Connect to that US dollar Bitfinex 1 day chart. Yeah, people are like, what's going on, man? Well, you're like you're trying to get back into the channel. You're failing miserably. You're failing to break back above the 20-day moving average, so you're probably going to test that 50-day moving average very, very soon, probably right around 2.4784 cents. Wonderfully, we just got a daily golden cross February 1st. That's awesome, man. But again, we have broken the channel that we were in, which is okay. I mean, like, you know, you do it. Sometimes it goes sideways for a while, it hits these supports and then runs again. Then you make adjustments to your channel. But for now, we have broken out, and we're not really able to maybe move down, right? The move's been down, sideways, slightly upsloping, and we can't find any demand. Every time we run up, we fail, right? So chances are you're probably going to try to create some more demand by selling off, okay? So we'll see how we respond when we hit 2.47 something cents, okay? Don't fall below that, though, or you're in a lot of trouble, okay? So anyway. There's support here. Support at 2.4 cents, right? Right where that 50-day moving average is. Look left, you got some support. Support. A wick here. A wick here. Right, support. You've got some. So do not fall below that 50 moving average, 50-day moving average. You're probably screwed. All right. Tron Connect. Okay, man. Hey, Miss Gentleman, man. Yeah, dude, I think everyone in life goes through rough times, right? If not, dude, that's a completely sheltered life, and it's probably fake, okay? So, dude, look down here, man. Look down here. Dude, look at the snow. It looks like a freaking, like, strobe. That's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool looking stuff down here. Alright, whatever. No one cares. But look, man, this resistance point up here, the one that you've never been able to break, you're still below it. Not good, man. You keep rejecting it. There's just so many sell orders up at this price, man. You just can't breach it. But once maybe all these orders get filled, there may not be any more supply at these prices. The supply may be up here. So demand's going to, you know, there's obviously going to be a high demand. There obviously is some sort of demand since we keep hitting this level of resistance, but someone keeps selling, and once they're all done selling, we might shoot up to the upside because there might not be any orders until up here at 3 cents or more or higher, right? So, anyway. Are you talking about Voldemort, Mr. Kentimo? Yeah, no. Voldemort's always behind on chat. We got Snowy and Greenbow. Greenbow, Alabama. Holy crap, man. Okay, Snowy, man. Why did I choose these champagne glasses? And how do I reach these kids? Isn't that strobe on the ticker the remnants of the 80s VCR overlay? Maybe so. It's a form. It's a different form though. No, it's more like the Independence Day aliens are taking over, and you know what they do to like video feeds, right? Remember? You remember, dude. Don't act like you don't know. I think so, Crypto Dancer. Well, we didn't even think it was going to be an anniversary evening because we forgot about it, but thank you, man, for the contribution, the 618, the ones from before in the past, and thanks for tuning in from Germany, man. My German brother, man. Thank you, dude. It's snow, now you see it, man. Lost a freaking Twitter follower, dude. Crap. You know who? No, yeah, Princess Raleigh, Pussy Malanga. Pussy Malanga. You know who? Yeah, but like, I know. I'm glad that you got that. I don't think anyone else would have. I think, like, I literally thought about it, probably the way you did, and I think no one would have gotten it if I said that on Sopranos, right? About Sopranos, so. I must climb the cliff and get the eagle egg. Is the eagle egg at the bottom of this horn? William Battlesman. Clinking Viking horn chalices. Say that 20 times fast, Greg, man. Oh, you want some Creed, Billy Langford, man. Oh, yeah. Bitcoin pumps because aliens. Holy crap, man. Don't y'all even, dude. Don't y'all even. Because I might odd. Okay, I might odd the crap out of y'all. Man, I'm nervous, dude. I don't want to play 90s music. 90s music's like the devil, dude. It seriously is like the devil, man. Everything about the 90s spews, we are owned by some huge mega corporation record label and we will destroy your stream. Screw you, Ray. That's the 90s to me. Except 311 for some reason, which is good, man, right? You know what I'm saying, man. You know what I'm saying, dude. Just drinking my beer, okay? Leave me alone. And looking for things, okay? Looking for things. Yeah, it is a shame Probes isn't here, right? Probes will be able to talk me into playing country music. He's the only one, though, right? Dang, man. That's right, 90 equal no bueno. You love these unexpected, unplanned, super fun streams, Zachary, man. Yeah, Billy, no, I'd love to play some 311, dude. Dude, I want to play that 311 song, dude, that Bradford introduced me to. I've been so freaking obsessed with that song, dude. Like, I love playing it, man. Dude, it's like the best, dude. This is like the best 311 song I've ever heard, man. Alright. Alright. We know we won't get taken down for this one. We gambled. We were good. Holy crap, Julia. We got you. I'm gonna post it. Show it. It seems like you're just playing catch up to Kang Logan. You're not trying to beat him, okay? Just saying. God, this song's so good. Alright, we'll play Miami Nights next, whatever, if you want to hear it. I'm gonna make it a little bit louder than my mic. I mean, like, y'all can hear me, but I have to be like really close to my mic for y'all to really be able to hear me. Okay. I just know at these decibel levels for the audio, it's like really hard to hear me. I guess unless I'm doing this. Crap. Hey Helen, just so you know, if you're gonna get into this, why don't you go buy the book Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Alright? Read that before you even think about doing anything else. It's probably your best bet, okay?
Today the longest day, hearing repeating things you'd say, confusing years of time. Can you hear a voice?
It's water beer, tell you.
What can I say? Vacancy sound.
It's water beer, dude. It's just easy to drink, man. It's like nothing. Okay. What's up, cheese? Welcome, dude. Welcome. WRAY radio voice. For 1 moment, we must pause for station identification. Zachary, man. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Sponsored by City Discounts. If you want the best City Discounts in Minnesota, check out City Discounts Minnesota. 321 Kappa. Anyone remember that wonderful memory? He was like one of the first, man. One of the first, dude. He like started ascending. He was like tip ascension, man. It was crazy, dude. Then we never saw him again. And he made a lot of money on, I think, ZRX. And that was it. Who is Suge? Sudge. Weird name, man. Weird name. Do you want to play Miami Nights again? Because I think we played it yesterday, dude. Alright. But I guess, man, if y'all want, we'll do it again. Phew. Still holding support. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going on 5 now. Jeez. Hour 14 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. It's a good level. That's right, Julia. City Discounts. Dude, you don't even know my stupid old DJ stuff. Like I was like always thinking about one to do, but I always never faked it. Because dude, faking's stupid, man. Like faking your voice because it sounds better maybe on the radio is just a dumb idea, I think, because it's not really you, dude. I hate that, man. Fake stuff, stupid. Suge Knight Mitch. Thanks, Charles, for a curse, man. Much love, dude. I know you're coming in from Cali, right? Charles says, evening Mitch, just want to say I've been watching traders on YouTube for around 3 years, and you're by far the highest quality, most logical and informative. Thank you, Charles, man. I really appreciate that, man. And dude, that's truly freaking humbling, man. Okay. Thank you, dude. That's amazing, dude. And I don't know, man. Just like really, you gotta figure out your style, what kind of trader you want to be, and you go with it, dude. You pick your path. Like in Skyrim, you want to be a warrior, you want to be a wizard, you want to be like an archer or stealth or something like that. You got to pick what kind of style you are as a trader. Day trader, scalper, swing trader, position trader, investor. What are you going to be, man, right? What fits your life the best? If you answer that question, everything else works out, right? What's your style? That's right, Miami Nice, y'all. Miami freaking nice. What? Simple B-Slice, man? Are you kidding me? Hold on, B-Slice. So I didn't see this till... Alright, this is B-Slice. He's pouring. Holy crap, dude. What's up with y'all and y'all square shot glasses, man? I'm sorry, dude. I thought... Dude, I guess it's 2019, man. 2019. Chug, baby, chug. Wait, he's been halfway through. B-Slice, man, you didn't even finish. Alright, here's Mr. Shafferman. Oh, he's just... No shot glass needed for Mr. Shafferman. Just straight out of the bottle, dude. We have no... Hey, dude, there's no way of knowing how much he shot. That was a good gulp, man. That was a good shot and a half. I'll allow it, dude. I'll freaking allow it. Kangs, baby, Kangs. Fan freaking tastic, y'all. Alright. Thanks for the celebratory shots. Amazing, dude. You think you told you DJ Mike Lamb, you DJ man. DJ Mike Lamb coming in on W80888 WRIY. Dreams, girls, drugs, lights equals Miami Nights. Exactly, King Logan. That's what he says, right? Turn up, Miami Nights, man. You too drunk to taste this chicken, King Logan, dude. Is this a candle holder? Yeah, maybe it is, dude. That's why it tastes so terrible, dude. It's not supposed to be drank out of. You're supposed to put candles in this and get wrecked, dude. Beeswax or candles, man. Whew. Holy crap. Give me a sec. What is it, man? Hold on. I can't remember what it is. Trevor something, man. He has another great song. I can't remember, dude. See, these are the albums, dude. Oh, is this it? I think this is it, dude. Yeah, this is it, dude. Great, another one, Bob. The same guy just made Miami Nights, played Miami Nights, what? Miami Nights? Good God, I can't even talk right. Similar, right here. Mark Rabat, man, what does it tell me about what could happen on the 4 hour? What's happening for right now, dude? I think we need more on the 4 hour. I think there's more time that needs to go by. We need more candles. We need more pattern development. We don't have enough. We need more maturation of some sort of consolidation pattern. Mark, man, that's all we do. You wait. 90% of trading is waiting. Okay, we waited here for freaking 6 weeks, 7 weeks before we got our move to the upside, right? We waited. Hey, when this impulse started, we waited and waited and waited for the maturation to occur. We got it here, but we had it again. You had one more opportunity to get in on the bus, and then bam, shot at the upside, right? So we just wait. We're waiting here, all right? Wait, take your position, you wait some more, ready to the upside, you take profit on your first target, and you wait some more. Dude, that's it, dude. I know, I wish it was like crazier than that. Oh my God, dude, we're gonna go to Wall Street and start taking our shirts off and doing rituals, but fortunately, man, most of trading's waiting. Okay, and you need to figure out things to do while you're waiting, like reading books on educating yourself and investing in yourself while you wait for the trades. Okay, right. Radio Dead Live from Greenville, Alabama. Oh crap. Zachary loves fish sticks. Zachary said it on stream right now. What's up, Pat McLaughlin, dude? You been lurking tonight? Good to see you, dude. Thanks for chiming in. You're a local, modest local actor. Mike Lamb. Excellent, dude. Oh, Stevie Ray, Julia, but there's nothing to be sad about, right? Everything's happy, everything's good and well and merry right now, right? The adversity, we have broken it. Look, this was all the adversity, right? Julia, the issues, the viewer counts. Oh my god, man. Bitcoin, stablecoin. Oh, we're going to $0. Wham, wham. That's all we were hearing, dude. Wham from everyone else, right? And Anto said, no, just be patient because there's a very high chance. There's a low risk, high reward opportunity here. 786 retrace, and we got it, man. Turv coin. Turv was another legend. It wasn't an S coin, but it sure as heck was an S asset. It was an asset. Okay. Whatever. Billy, man, I've learned it actually is better in person. It's actually like, dude, when you meet like real people online for a while, you find out like when you meet them in person, like, dude, it's like literally like nothing changed. You're just seeing them in their face, right? But you already knew what they look like, so it's not even different. It's just normal, not even weird. Oh crap, man! Song ended, dude. What? Are you kidding me, man? Do whatever. We're gonna change it just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna play something I like. I'm liking the nectar of bass. Okay. God, dude. Does anyone else have a drinking horn that smells weird, funky, weird? Poo and crap, dude. We analyzed poo and crap. That's hilarious, dude. And crap was no, I think they were both German, maybe. And you know, Germans would probably be the last people to be like, wait, we shouldn't have our ticker be CRAP, dude. Germans would be like, oh, it's okay, man. It's not weird. No one's going to care. Holy crap. Alright, chat, so it's do or die time now, okay? It's do or die time. I'm out of beer. I finished the beer. Oh my god, I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry about your ears. Rest in peace. Am I done here? I've got another one in the mini fridge up here. I've got more downstairs, but I've got one in the mini fridge. And I just don't know if I should be done. Look, I've been live now for almost 3 hours. It's 3 hours, dude. Should it be over? Should we end it? Or should we keep it going? What do you think? Yeah, Bradford, right back at you, dude. It was just like, you were literally identical to who you are now, right? Online. It's like, wow. You like the music, not the horn, Mr. Sherman? It's not poo coin, Greg. It's poo. Zachary, man. There's another incredible quote, I guess, right? Foot him out. So I guess probably cattle horn, maybe, right? Am I a user of Audible? What you talking about, dude? Audible as in some sort of auditory device mechanism? No, I don't think so, no. Yeah, it sounds like cars would, close hand reverses would kill me, dude. More beer, Herbert. Only 1 more hour, Julia. No black light. This is black light. I guess purple is the closest thing. I don't know. Blue can be black light too, right? I don't know. I haven't heard any convincing arguments to why I should drink more. Okay. Just saying. Hold on a sec. it's like 1 a.m. my time. I think it's like 2 a.m. Eastern on a work day, work night, work morning, I guess, right? Whew. Thanks for the 92 people still here. Holy crap. Thank y'all. Seriously. It's wonderful. Okay. Books and podcasts. Oh, okay. I got you, Mark. Thanks, man. Could be Zatcher, man. It's whatever your little heart desires, man. Alright? Didn't know she had a bandana. I thought it was red or blue, right? Not yellow. Maybe it is yellow. Maybe. Mike, you're working till 7 a.m.? Thank you. Hey, again, Miss Sheriff, man. Always get better, dude. Always get better. Alright, y'all. So what I think I'm going to do is skedaddle. It has been an absolutely magical evening. Thank y'all so much for everything, okay? Really just... This year has been, even with the good things that have gone on in my life, I've had lots of good things. This has been the best year of my life, for sure, man. Like, nothing compares to this past year. The struggles, the pain, the triumph, the victory, the sadness, the happiness, everything, all the good and bad. Because all the bad has helped me grow, the good has kept me going, and, man, just so humbled to have y'all in my life, okay? So if y'all keep showing up, I'm gonna keep showing up, right? That's the rule, all right? Thanks for just all the friggin', the new subs, the likes, the dislikes, and the contributions. My God, man, the contributions have just been just very humbling tonight. So love y'all, all right? I'll be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect the T. A. Darris, are you kidding me? Wow. I freaking love y'all. I can't even.
Is that a joint?
I can't even.
Marijuana's bad.
And then we get to Dynamite!
Adios, turd nuggets.
We're just playing
Bueller.
buttons now at this point. Freaking love y'all.
I don't know, sir.
Y'all are amazing. I don't even know. It's so amazing, dude. Freaking love y'all. Gosh. I can't even. Don't summon me back. But you might. I don't know, dude. Like, I don't know what to do now. Now I'm torn, y'all, okay? So I'm just going to hang back for a little bit. Maybe encore or not. I don't know. All right. Hello, hi. Is anyone even there anymore? Maybe so. King Logan and Dan and Melissa, it seems, have summoned me for the encore. And it seems like the party lights are getting freaking lit over here. Feel free to spam as much as you want those party lights, man. It's pretty awesome, dude. My God, that. Thanks, King Logan, dude. Dude, I hate this. Do you not see this? Okay, pause the stream and look up the enlarged ticker. Look at it. Just freaking look at it. I haven't used this in a while, and I'm going to use it to annoy you. I'm going to annoy you.
Oh, would you look at that?
Extremely loud and obnoxious. Look at the ticker. Figure out. Hey, hit full screen if you have Windows 10 and figure out what the crap these little things are, okay? They're stupid things, and they must be destroyed, okay? Not to be, like, mean, but, you know. It's gotta be kind of mean, right? Because it's tough love. Okay, read your mind. Read your mind. Dude, y'all are freaking fantastic. Oh, can you, yeah, King Logan, but it doesn't look good. Is there any way you can post that to Discord so I can, like, full screen it? So I don't, like, you know, we do it video again and it looks scrubby and hard to see, right? See if there's any way you can send it via email, or you could also fax it to me or mail it to me, or even send it to my beeper, okay? Let me know what you think, man. All right, and what I'll do with it, if you want me to, I'll literally, you know, do the same thing I did before. No problem, man. Oh, okay. Crap, man. All right, we found it. Dude, it's here. It's here. Sorry, I didn't even know, man. My bad. I thought you might have, like, sent, I was waiting for, like, a message from you. My bad. I got you, dude. More Mandarin. More Sonoma. More things, dude. All right? One shot down. Boom. Trenchcoat Mafia. Two shots down. Kings, dude. Kings.
Dynamite!
You hear me, man? Dynamite. Awesome, dude. Fan-freaking-tastic, man. Sorry, I didn't even know where we were posting. But I did get pinged and I saw the ping now. But dude, I gotta get a fifth monitor. I have to, dude. I can't see, like the way I have my everything set up, I can't, like all the screen capture and utility I have, I cannot use 4 screens only. I need 5 in order to have everything up that I need. Everything. Alright, so it's just dumb, man. Donde está el fuego? El capo. El capo. Man. El mano. What's up, Dan, man? Thanks, dude. Thanks for the summoning, dude. Kangs. Greg says, most of the time he doesn't even know what I'm talking about. Excellent, man. What does the 8 mean? Dang, dude, Mike Lamb needs a little education. King Logan, did you hear that? He needs to know about the 8s. Steve says he'd like to join us in shot, but he has to take a UA tomorrow. Sober live. Hey, man. Dude, it's all good, man. Would hate to be some sort of form of temptation for you, dude, but, you know, we just work hard, we play hard. So, hey, man. More power to you, dude, seriously. For resisting any sort of temptation or anything like that, okay, dude? Super sexual. Balance equals 8, as all things should be. You should have gone for the head. Done, dude. My bad. Ear destruction. The beer horn bot says you've been streaming just over 1 year. By this point, you should have drank at least 888 beers to maintain your drunkenness. Or sobriety. I don't know. One or the other, right? Holy crap, man. Holy crap. But can you smell Benito without a G? No, I don't think so, dude. I don't think so, unless it's another alien planet we live on, alright? Sitting back, relaxing, dude. Sitting back. Modified Mafia, man, it's a weird thing going on. We accidentally forgot that it was my 1 year anniversary of content creation as of yesterday, and we didn't even think about it or talk about it in the stream. So there you go, dude. Try changing the settings on the screen capture for the ticker. Oh, it has nothing to do with that, man. It has nothing to do with that. It's literally like the screen capture is something, and like the problem is it's up there in the top left of the screen, and there's nothing you can do about it. It's something to do with Windows 10. Okay, it's Windows 10. There's nothing to do with anything with OBS, my screen capture, anything like that. Vegeta silent in Benitico. Benito Gonzalez. Dude, Benito Gonzalez is part of the CX. Okay, CX gang. Or the Gartley gang, dude. Thanks, Modified Mafia, man. Glad you made it, dude. Gangs. 150 likes? Oh my god. Don't make me go Super Saiyan, dude. Anyway, I just don't know, man. We're just waiting and waiting and waiting. 48 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. Rejecting prices lower than $35.80 and change. $35.88. We'll just go with that, right? When in doubt, just round to the 8. So maybe it's 888. Right. Perfect. Helen, thanks for joining the Discord. Really appreciate that. Glad you're here. It's a wonderful community, all right? Screw Windows 10. I know, dude. I know, man. I hate Windows 10, dude. All these stupid little features are very stupid. They don't do anything. They don't improve my experience as a user at all. They only hinder it. All I do is have to find out how to turn off their stupid, crappy features. All right. That's it. Miracle Gamer.
Did I make it before the encore ended?
Yes, you did, man. Yes, you did. Thanks so much for the 6-1 something. Well, the 665 US dollar coin, the most stable coin on the planet, man. Kappa, but no Kappa, maybe, right? You made it. Thanks for the 321-656. Much love, Bearable Guy. Thank you for all the support, dude, over all this time, dude. We keep growing together, man. As Kangs. Or Quaints. Thanks, dude. So do we figure out which altcoin is likely to pump next? I don't know, man. We were looking at a couple. I think we saw XLM to BTC was interesting. Nano was interesting. Waves was interesting. Yeah. Yeah, XLM to BTC now would be one to think about. Jeez, man, I haven't even heard of that. I don't even ask about that in my life. Actually, I have heard of that. It's been a very long time. Evidently, I charted it. Anyway, we'll go to EVX real quick. Oh, of course, man. Your S-Coin stop hunts. What a joke, dude. Look at this crap, man. Look how you, like, double bottomed, right? And then the stupid wick would stop out people, reasonable people. Completely, man. So, before you ran up again, and then all you did was just your range bound, it seems, between 54.82 and 98.74. So that's cool, dude. So what you do here is you would wait for an entry down here at 55.30, 55 whatever, 54.73, literally. Okay, you wait for an entry there. Dude, I don't know, man. If you get stopped out, like, what do you want me to do? You have a stop set up, and it goes, like, down here, and then, like, runs back up. I mean, I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm sorry. That sucks. So maybe keep your stop very, very tight or something. And then if it comes back up, all right, get back in. And you lost barely anything. But I don't know, man. All right, so clearly some sort of resistance. Dude, this seems like this thing's pump and dumped really hard. Dude, this is like evidence of Telegram groups, right? Telegram group, maybe Telegram group, right? Over and over. That's what these wicks signify. And low liquidity, meaning very low volume S-coin stuff, all right? So, whatever, man. You're range bound for now. You obviously failed to break the neckline of the Eve and Eve double bottom. All right, and you're selling off, and you probably made a 60% retrace or something like that. 60%. Hey, golden cross happening on EVX on the daily time scale, but I don't know, man. I don't know where you're gonna fib. You're gonna fib here to here or here to here. Volatility screws with the fibs. This kind of crap is why you want to stay away from it, because you can't really fib right, because you'll really never know if the fibs are right or not. If the market is interpreting a swing low here to here or here to here or here, right? It's impossible to know. So that's why this kind of high volatility wick pumpy dump Telegram crap really makes it tough to fib and know what's right. Okay, so I don't know, man. I don't really want to deal with something like Everix S-coin, but hey, man, maybe, dude. Maybe it will break the upside. Maybe, dude. I don't know. There you go, dude. Sweet. Anyway, back to DJ. Haven't played in a while. Whatever, we'll play it. Who cares? So, Mac W, love you too, man. Thanks, dude. Whew. Past 150. Kangs, Bradford. Kangs. Why are we charting? This is an Oncorn. Oncorn for Bitcoin. That's right. Maybe Bradford, don't really know. Do we have a swing low? Do we have a swing low? Maybe, dude. Just maybe. Huh. Interesting, dude. Dude, we were looking for the swing low, weren't we? We don't really know, man, on the daily if that's it, right? We don't really know if that's it. But, you know, you can see, you look at the impulse down with a bearish consolidating, right? Bradford was showing me this, right? And he was saying, hey, man, maybe it's the start or the beginning of an ascending triangle, which it could be, man. We said all we need is a higher low than our previous low to give testament to the momentum shift. That's what we needed. That's forms of accumulation. The psychological aspect of a higher low is accumulation, meaning more people own this S coin than they owned it before. How could you say that, man? Whatever, man. Bradford's just like this right here. He's just like, hey, man, what about this, dude? What about this? It's like, hey, maybe, man. Maybe, man. Okay, well, I don't know, man. I don't know, like, if that's it or not. But, you know, 88.6% retrace, maybe? 78.6% retrace. Okay, alright. We got as low as like an 80% retrace on Wix. Never had really candle closes below the 78.6%. That's great. 107 sats, right? We got down there, we hit it, we're holding. Maybe so, Bradford, maybe. But it's going to take a long time. It's going to take time to see. But this might be a great opportunity, a great low-risk entry on VeChain doing things. Maybe, dude. Maybe. Well, we broke out of a September channel, right? Channel been going on that long, dude. What a joke, man. All right. So maybe it's time. Maybe it's time to reverse a little bit. Maybe this is a higher low that we've been looking for. Maybe, dude. Seriously, VeChain. Very possible this is a low-risk entry. Yes. You the conductor, MacW, man? The conductor, man? I've got a feeling. It's my feelings, dude. I just feel Bitcoin's going to zero tomorrow. Scrooty, it's fake, because I don't understand it. I don't have the aptitude to understand technical analysis, man. Nice find, Bradford, man. You know what we should probably do? Maybe we'll give it a shot as a trade setup or something, right? Give it as the Bradford setup, man. Yeah, all this is off, dude. It's probably in the 4 hour. I'm just going to get rid of all of it, okay? Because I don't even know if it's in the 4 hour or the 60 minute. Bullish convergence, right? A high on or a low on price, a same low on price, nice class B bullish divergence, but now from here to here, making higher levels of relative strength again. So that's some bullish convergence you're seeing. So that's it. Not bad. Showing them at 786 holding up anyway. I got you, dude. There we go. The developers have heart, Julia. Alright, the last of this beer is inside the horn right now, alright, y'all? Bitcoin developers have good hearts too, man. They have good hearts and good boobage, man. You can't smell jobs without a G, man. Okay, King Logan, dude. Holy crap. Dude, have we not fibbed the jar? Let's fib the jar real quick. I think we're at an 88.6% retrace. Right? Too much volume. Where's the non-volume? Give me a sec. Alright, let's fib this real quick. I'm gonna have to do it like this. 100% retrace is down right there. Move this up just a little bit. So we're sitting at right now 78.6% retrace. Wow, we have a deep retrace on the tip chart, right? So I just have a man. Are you kidding me, man?
Some people think only intellect counts, knowing how to solve problems, knowing how to get by, knowing how to identify an advantage and seize it. But the functions of intellect are insufficient without courage, love, friendship, compassion, and
and dynamite! This shop, man, dude, thanks so much, dude. And what? What happened, dude? Thanks for the $16.43 a Bitcoin. Thank you, brother, man. I really appreciate that. Love you, dude. And, heck yeah, man. Heck yeah. I don't know what and is, though. And what's that last thing, dude? Let me know. Much love. Well, unfortunately, the crypto tips aren't going to play well in the jar because there's another jar behind the string on this jar. And unfortunately, it's not going to add to the breaking us above a 7. This is a perfect 786 retrace, dude. That's like literally nothing above it at all, right? Gotta love it, dude. Gotta freaking love it. So that's it, dude. That's your fibs. We're at the 786 right now. The next tip that would come in, if it did ever come in, which it may never come in, which is very understandable, and I don't even care. The next tip that would come in, possibly ever, for this jar would be breaking the 786. Critical retrace. That could run us to the 886. Easy, okay? But we got rid of it, so because we don't care, right? It's okay. Because we've already hit target, like, right? Target's, hey, man, dude, it's so good, dude. It's okay, man. Bitcoin double bottom? Yeah, it's already happened, though. Greg, man, remember Greg? Adam and Eve double bottom? Here, no double bottom here, not really. I mean, unless you're looking at the 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart. Dude, I don't think, what are you saying, Miss Chapman? Dealing with you? You talking about just like hanging out with you and just charting with you? Dude, I don't think that's called dealing with you, man. So, dude, you've just been a wonderful member of this community, man. That's it. It's not dealing with you. It's like literally you being part of the community, being awesome, man. That's it. Thanks for bringing your attributes, man. Your passion, your love, man. Kangs. And Quangs. Quangs for, you know, the ladies. No, they won't, Greg Morgan. No, they won't. It's about real estate. It's not about boobies, man. Tittycoin is about literal real estate. You just don't understand because they have so much heart, man. Oh, hey, dude, that was pretty smooth, man. But it's only 14 biddies. Like, dude, I think normally the Streamlabs website gets bogged down when you're tipping like 99 bits, right? When it should be 100, it's two little things, like one purple bit that comes down, you get 99 of the gray ones. That like freaks out Streamlabs. I found out it's not even me and my CPU, I don't think. It's literally Streamlabs. Thanks for the 16 biddies, man. Wait, nuh-uh. Montana's not here, dude. Why would you say that? What's the news? What's the hype? What's the scuttlebutt? Billy Langford knows about the scuttlebutt because the scuttlebutt happens around water coolers, but no one ever talks about scuttlebutts. They only talk about people at the water cooler not scuttlebutting. Right? What are y'all talking about? Why do I keep saying Montana, dude? Or did we miss Montana? What are y'all talking about, man? Montana, dude. Miss Cantoma is just saying, how are you, Montana, man? Wow, that's debating me. You just debated me hard, dude. Heck yeah, Miss Shab, man. When do I do my training? My TA training? Dude, in between streams, man, all the time. As soon as I get off, sometimes it's like hours or an hour before, 30 minutes before I go live again, man. Just whenever I can, man. Just picking up, just reading a little bit, reading like a couple pages here and there. Dude, you think about how much time you have in life, it goes by, reading a few pages here and there, dude, you get so knowledgeable, man. You just keep learning more and more and more about things, man, whenever you get free time. I don't know, man. I just treat this stuff like a video game. It's like, dude, I keep leveling up, man. I keep continuing trying to level, and not just in charts. I'm trying to level up in streaming too. And we're starting like to hit points where it's like, hey, we're realizing that no one have problems that we have because no one goes to the levels that we're going with streaming production, man. No one. Very little, right? Probe's probably sleeping, Billy, man. I bet, right? Scuttlebutts are a sexual move involving Skittles. There you go, Julia. Exactly. When you start gaining a strong foundation of education and knowledge you already have, it's so easy snowballing, just gaining smaller amounts, just sticking those pieces of knowledge to your foundation of knowledge, and just so easy to build that, man. Alright, y'all, I'm almost done with this beer, man. Probably like right here. This is it, dude. This is it, man. I'm sorry, I can't deal with this mic and this drinking horn. They're two all up in my grill, man. We got bearish going on. Bitcoin, 30 minutes left. We have literally moved nowhere in 4 hours. Just about nowhere. What's up? Excuse me. Crap, man. Tough, dude. It's tough, man. Okay, let's see here. That's funny. Sorry, dead noise, I know, right? Dead noise. Ooh, yeah, that's right. Man, I remember listening to this song. This was old and ended on this one. Alright. Y'all, been wonderful. What's up? Nothing, dude. Nothing. Hey, dude, it was funny. Last night I was streaming. I don't know. I got a text from my mom this morning, and she said, "Did you fall asleep on stream?" Like, what? I fall asleep on stream? I must have been looking at my phone, dude. And she thought I like... What? Oh my god. Alright. Okay, y'all. Alright. Look, I freaking love y'all. This has been a wonderful encore. So good. Y'all the best thing in my life. And, I'm gonna keep coming back if y'all keep coming back. Alright, deal? Deal. So I'll be back tomorrow. Until next time, respect that TA.
When I thank you, I do right. Not so wrong. You speak words of I love you, but you know how to break me. So come and take me.
Thanks a lot for your hard work, I appreciate it.
Sometimes I feel like
A bit of a man, dude. This was a contribution, man. Much love, dude. And yeah, dude, absolutely, man. Just you gotta look at it, changed up, man. But looks like XLM V-Chain doing things. Maybe might be the ones that are primed out to make runs. But dude, don't be discouraged if I said it was an S-coin or whatever. If you have knowledge of technical analysis and you think you're right, do your thing, man. Go with it. Go with God. All right, Kings, love y'all.
I keep playing with fire. I keep playing with fire. I keep playing with
Pull me away, bring me to life. 'Cause I love it when you get me high. Watching these days turn into nights. 'Cause I love it when you get me high. Straight up till you running through my blood. Yeah, you leave my body numb, and I like it way too much. I wanna stay out of my mind.
Is that a joint?
'Cause I love it when you get me high.
Is that a joint?
Marijuana's bad.
Pull me away, bring me to life. 'Cause I love it when you get me high. Watching these days turn into nights. 'Cause I love it when you get me high. Straight up till you running through my blood. Leave my body numb, and I like it way too much. I wanna stay out of my mind.
Is that a joint?
'Cause I love it when you get me high. Cause I love it when you get me high.
Marijuana's bad.
Is that a joint?
Pull me away. Pull me away. Pull me
Is that a joint?
None of this, are you freaking kidding me? Oh my god. Seriously. That's one. And also,
Is that a joint?
and
Marijuana's bad.
and that, of course. And
Please quiet.
freaking love y'all. Y'all amazing. Oh my god.
that you've been waiting all year for. I'm back in town for a minute, are you with it? Got a lot of time, I just need somewhere to spend it. I just press a button and the top go missing. I kept the slip so you know it's not raining. Yeah, oh, what you wanna do? Worry about your friends that saw you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your man, I'll be your all day. I'll be your all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your man, I'll be your all day. I'll be your all day. Drop top the Porsche, put that bitch in sport out here in the field, oh yeah. I'm already, yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the coast, got one up for sure. You said break a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the club bar, said you never been before. Put you in provocateur, girl, I made you meet 'em all. You said you left your ex, that dude was always gassing. You said before me you ain't never been this happy. You took a L with him and went in ever since. You hit my phone, I'm on my way, I cancel plans. Yeah. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your night, I'll be your all day. I'll be your all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your night, I'll be your all day. I'll be your all day.
You're trying to make a move. Tonight I got the time, tell me what you wanna do. Call a squad if you wanna rendezvous. They gon' push up on their own, I only got room for 2. Front of jigs on the set, it's a Porsche, not a bit. I confess, I'm a flex, till they show some respect. Get away so we can make sense of your life. You wasn't pop, but I just put your shit in drive. Now, coast, like there's no tomorrow. Moving too fast, I'm hoping to drive slow. I don't want you to wonder where I go. Can learn a lot from this and it's something that I know.
Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your man, I'll be your all day. I'll be your all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your man, I'll be your all day. I'll be your all day.
Love ain't gonna give up on me. I ain't gonna give up on love. Love ain't gonna, just ain't gonna give up on me. Every tear that I cry only washed away the fear inside, and I'm giving up on love. Every beat of my home, hound with joy, Lord, not in vain. Every beat of my home, hounds with joy, love not in vain. And all those painful memories only brought me to my knees. 'Cause I was giving up on love. Look at here. Little Johnny Taylor told us so, oh, so long ago. What about the midnight crying out? Whoa, 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 let's see the line. What about the price that will open surely be paid? Oh, 'cause they gave them on love. Love will still have its day without give up on love. I still ain't gonna give up on love. No matter what you say I do, not to give up on love. No matter what you say or do. Every time I try, good Lord, love, won't let me.
Adios, turd nuggets.